Nkwa o mu nyina aduane ne si wo no say aduane no mo di susu nsuo no de nsuo na duro ni kwase ni pada sani tren ni pada sani abeti cross nsuo ni say can you imagine obibini imagine say sa oba o koi oye wo yire na wo ba hye na chise ya on cross nsuo no so wo gyina ho na wo hwe sa de we ya on cross nsuo se no wo wi ha ya to ama NDC ya to ama MPP media mahama ba wo ba no kra me dwen ho amenti ase e wo sen ketimi tutu ya NDC e kan say etimi tutu ya MPP eso so hwe nipa wo say ba o che kakai wow, you know I want to say you penny for na dwembone nko but me bremu kroma no because you nim pass still that's what tomorrow you sorry a tribal politics nipa we yesrem ni nipa we santini nipa we say etimi ka say durumi so can you imagine no that's necessary sika gu dem sika na nya hwe nipa ma na cross nsuo I saw try yon kwa beti wow ukrom Ghana no can you imagine me say mommy an story waka me ninte ye hunu sasase na ete so no ye bon sam jam ni heaven na na ete so no tie twiti ni ye hwe emrante nyina etukwan ye maba wa nyina etukwan osu ade hunu ade wo san ko hwe kuruma no wo tukwan akotena ba fufuro can you imagine
absan for video I was no ho corresponding voice but mo hwe video we say munim community na mesrawo Sunday e wo your voice note any number no 0244 and what screen any no. Oh, this is what we are as a country. Man for bread, man for soup. But you see, therefore, we need power babesi akwala senechi. Kwa banane na atam no. Oni obey tito nsuo mu twom wo mawu. Nsuo won kofo mu diska. Egu dem ene ya pile ska. Ena cheso wo mu teso. Ngo mu di. Na anopei nyame obi a we are buying leader na adwuma ye dia hye won sase ye na won hwom nye awurade betua mo kama akoma enti omo yare enye fe na mo diskani na behwe mo yare good morning why na menene kase pato radio set bi wo nchen dum no anase TV so na wo ya me pato winim radio set ni dum no aha offense wa wase Bachan, ya damasipani jumpamu ye mgusuwa mobuwa ye mkosu wa se ayedi amayen ayedi amaye pa opinfo ni mukuri njumva no hospital finsu wa wase bebia ya bua mpipi fo pa 87.9 ya toba finsu south ntia kwa nesi ya ka ho asema mgusuwa mobuwa nanso sela ni hunu bia mama mo MP ne MC 1 week say anwea dodo ye tunu wo ho no se kwan ne ye nwa awodo to contract kra omo leverage no munye scan ketenkete no mbedije free anweafo no ho no omo mfa gravels no ene bia tippings bi kro omo nkoto no omo mfa magu kwan so no omo yi bulldozer ne ade a etu anwea no omo mfa levels so mamo we common sense we madin bia what you say nanano ma info so wo so asase no mato ama ayi anweafo o matu offense kumase area ha nyina ba bia yetu anwea pa free offense enso gas akese na se mo kwan eye common sense say we DC we MP you just tell the people say anwea no boda yempeska because kan ye dia yentimi fanye bibia momoye na mo kofa anwea mo ba emfiri mia bodo so bia de 23 na ma betu egu akwan so na ma level kwan so you don't need central government so beba be ye kwan na mamo a common sense what you say ompani for go hard they are not thinking that is the problem they are not thinking enti mo be bresa ye nyina be ko so a mo chimanyi mo ayin mate na ye da wasipa ni no mo mjukodro thank you onso obafre o de umpotem beba you tell us the problem na yanso ya per solution e de amamo okay good morning
good morning
yes umpotem
ya fama hivi nikasafiri Eastern region
okay mamintio
the same thing a crowd be war you found kokoswa
ewa hefa
ewa kokoswa like budua
eno ya offense ana
the onu wa Eastern region
okay Eastern region
yeah
okay
the same thing once atim hini na tuma water o mbetu anwea wo ho no o ma ska kwan ni nyina
be ba to e ho no ye district ben na ye mfrɛ mu DC
only kokoswa a phone kokoswa
that you can kokoswa me per district no ebia what I say give me the district.
okay me better to WhatsApp line.
Fantastic. So we are district now, then we can call the authorities there and I MP kra then we can handle them and handle them properly. Why? Fantastic. Because ka kokoswa kru no doso o Patasia Eastern Region Pataso ho ba bibia bebre nti help us na so yentimi moamo. Thank you very much. Abusanfo high Akoma 87.9 FM. O de on potamu. You tell us the problem. We will look for solution. MC DC ya one fee and kasano. We take him on. Near catch and say mo pamon monto abentiano. That is what you have to do. Yes, good morning. Yes, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Why na menene kase?
Bacha FM be kasa fi
Kenya se.
Me bacha.
Kenya se wo ya Kenya se. Kenya se. And why your district be? Kwabre. Okay.
Yeah. Me bacha fi Kenya se ko Antoine de no Kenya se ko wo ma se. In fact, Kofi enyenyenyenyenyenyen. In Taraba for a day kwai wo ma se for any Antoine Foucault nyina he said so to ko na bi there basa. Yes, la wa mo why right.
Okay. Me da se pa. Okay, my emfa last me important na fe yentoa enko other issues. Yes, good morning.
Good morning, Bravo V.
Why na me nene ka saying?
About the from 7. Kasa free Sophia Chelsea.
Okay.
A Chelsea new site. For the past 1 week, a transformer. Problem about me, the sumo. Report my assembly matter. So, in whom you could be anti moon coming my.
I have found what's the one here?
Sophia Achiasi.
Sophia Achiasi. Under Benito, Nyasa.
Bibacha.
Asa Benito do ambusan kwashija made nichi. O friend crown fa. So that is what Benito is. About to do anoma 20 ano period. Ma pamuna free so. That's all. And your DC wine sister, yes sir. That woman, the last one I'm friend and I'm also heading. On here him for you meeting on Homache 7 o'clock no. Okay. So Santasia pre him mind quine. Edia Nessi. A queen send a Kofi Jobu ye. Enti a dana Santasia pre him mind. I mean, I don't get it. Mommy Sako video PR, mammy. Yeah, boy. Dear Nessi. And I buy into an Kenti was son in Yama. Good morning. Yes.
Hello, good morning.
Whiny.
Bato it's Kasa free Kotokum.
Kotokum or Enfa. Tumamponwa. Okay.
Nana. Ye can say, Ye Quano. Omagukuta no free. Quantum ABC a quantum.
Okay.
The free a quantum Apelmedino. Nana ka kwano nyen. And I did we can see a crown say, Bridge in a walk to Krumono.
Yeah.
Nana. A group Kaya, a group baby cry, Lando and the Drua. This is Unipani DC.
Wow.
And Sana, Bridge and so. Now, that dear can see the Neboa. Ewo bridge na se nkura no emu asabu ama bridge no emu abuka miensa miensa enti aye pa tiasese MP no omeye mayen anya sa be dru bibi no e be community no afi na no mo ye de e ba ho ba sa emwa. Okay. Kwano dia kano so no insuta yintini kura anye de enko yo media be fie no ifri akonche eko apelmede no landu van kura no a wo mo ho den a wo mtimi fa be bia ho nya no dru ba bi kura no a wo mtimi nko enti asrese MP no any DC no wo mbra no me emayen Anya sa yes you be say one
but I say yemfa the last caller here nothing yem pick it up me pacho also on potemu you tell us the problem now you give us na me pacho 87.9 if you yes good morning
black Kofi
me pacho why
Mipacho your friend Ankara to make us free akukwa amo
ewa he
akukwa amo ejusun patemu makoso
okay
na black akukwa bi no mesa ye kwan ko amutu mai na edc no ho hwe no omo siesie kwan so mai akukwa amo efiri ba bi a omampanyi Mahama West Secondary School no ekonyina kwan nyina ye
meba ehon ye ejoso anase ye eyi
ehon ye ejoso
so
black
eso frimpon
black of mo e wa ye se kwa no abobo ya me yelu kran to me mo san black of
akoko amon to eye pa so
black of messe wa ni diem
okay ye fra wa ejoso MC Opikia, then we deal we talk to him on that. Thank you very much. Episode for higher Akoma 87.9 FM. Na we need Aduanaba Kofi Asante all that you need, and he said, tell us. And Opebi sorry anopa. Inkotie radio station dia uti Akoma. Akoma no na bad. Yeah. Doctors of your social problems. You tell us the problem. Now your pay solution at the amount. That is what we do. The solution will be there. Your friend Akwanuasa. Or say our baby na the issue of light a free the arc as qua interchange akokosi of no akokosi Alaga Junction enye adwuma no we deal with it. Na mamen kwa ejoso na me the MC minua eso frimpon eni nkomo higher Akoma 87.9 FM. We need the Aduanaba Kofi Asante. Meza eso frimpon mamen mo achi anope mra Akoma FM bibi abakode
mejoso nyame adom me hoye
medase nyame adom anopa bia oba Asante memu kumase Akoma FM me trase as doctors me team. You tell us the problem, then we look for solution nso wo mo government appointees MC ho na problems are eba from akoko amon pa akoso stretch you say ekwan no sisi ade e totally blocked me pa cho we are aware
yo me ra me dase ma menchia na menchia wa tie fono hefo nyina yes menim se oba dwoso a ekwan ba ko a eye nyina dadino ye famo no fa commercial kofa kokobra kofa chekrom ko akoko amo achianse ne echemo a kwan a the contractor also na the group be no ye hu de ya office nti akoko amo kwan de da ye nyina anymore enim se ho atimamofo ehuna mane wo kwan so pa nse afi etwere mu ye de afidie ko fa ekotwa so mpre no assembly no se de be ya ebe kopom kaka na ni nyina mo no nse yura MP on a private company bi ni ade a omo eboa se ye be si Asante plant no kwan ba kwan ebe na kuma so pa se nyame boa na plant na ye wia ombeboa ase ama ta kwan no yetimi aye ama ona otifa mo nyina so wo ho ato job sa na ta na si
so contractor was so bad we free kwan so
yes me ne urban road engineer ekata ya no sa na o ma me enya na nti but this year me wo market nyeta kwan ka metimi ama wo contractor na wo so for free.
And we are not aware when are back to the project.
No, I'm saying, we did say, Nina, Ikasemo, a home at the Casania, I can't hold a man, contract upon frequent, but you never finish work. You say, America, you're empty, a idea is none of a papa. The Aquino, and I say, just so, Kofi. The same be quite near that a finding and a fine into work when one. Meaning, say, Yamiadana empty on better Cosinoma.
So, Sadia Mobua last year, no, this year intervention been away whilst we await for say contract no contractor be some side.
Mirror and before our man since you to say na o de afidie ko si e kwan so ya na emwa o ya ni na be san say if you hear kwan say August yen so gugu ni ade na meboa na yo no ko form kakra as assembly no ye de machine be ko na ya ko patch say de be ya ombe akobe de betimi akoso say de afreka mu no
Okay, that is Joso Kwaso so under contract because Enra you several calls if Joso Kwaso kwano so one so very terrible.
Wadaroma eno de afena ahobwagu kwan so many era MP kata e no ntanto ye akwani mu pa na isan se NC enti no mentumi enkobi ma no nkansen dia amra NC e ba ntanto ye gusu papa emra nyime kwa many era MP e di hon komo na nkoma akwani mu no se nyame ya aduna enche eduso kofa onwi kofa kwan so akọ eko fi kontanase na twema ko be kwa na se e kwan ba kwa o ma din na be ma na o ma ye kama banti tenency din be enche eno so be bosumi ni ekire ni free eduso eko onwi no assembly no e bo modern epe anyani ade a edit kwan ni mu a but tamre nsi okay assign asay yenye fa kwante on se abia enkoyi papa nti na me boana nsuo no brɛ no asia baabi a wote ye patch na adaba fo ho tom kakra be ansana na me boa na che de economy contract na omo aye na atumi aboa
Enti anopai Joso Kwasofo onyusfo etie 1 minute talk to them na omo ankasa ntie assurance I would them omo any timelines na time to do will come back to you.
Mira Wadaroma study money fi aka no achemi idea enkasa ho ekoso
Okay
study maka no enura me ne yera MP enyumre ne di nkomo e wo ta kwan na ho is an also nan producer friend na na person ye sure
yeah
and the di nkomo nyumre no se me ma onya ne nti se ahombo agusu papa ankomo di ekoso na onim se na ye one person se men sense bi so a mentimi nkoka se mame bosome na aba bosome no but yera MP gusu papa wodi hoduma enti e free Joshua kofa onye kofa Fienimpon kofa kwaso kwa no omo enkoso enya abehemu se ahomboa egu kwan so na meboa na ntihie nyina atomo a me wura na mo aso ate na te namfo nyina so ho se ye beye kwan no na omo nyina so ho ato
Azo Frimpon ma me na wase na bibi na ebesa ba wo nchen anopa we are grateful
me da so me wura.
Thank you. For MC Edema Ejoso akwene MC by Yachenare Yabono. Abusafo is he that MC binu aya na yentimasi o. What the home you are responsible for the people. And your child we pay you to work to fix our damn problem. And what we do is that timemu phone what problem on timim fa phone frɛ we be kra wo MC require timemu ni number. So that is why Kofi Asante waha. Our point is that they will talk to Kofi Asante. Then Kofi Asante will speak on their behalf. The Akacho said, saying our man foka is an opportunity to engage them. And we are even doing you a favor. Hey, you are not helping us. So, yeah, simple. I have seen Anopa says, where many are him Fushia, and Anopa. I mean, all the flimsy excuses. Hey, 2024, MC will be our Mojumano, Etimemu4, Yenia will lead campaign against all these people. Sack them! More Pamo, or they should get responsible and be proactive for their people. That is what we want to do. Right. I mean, he's one of the MCs. Whatever the problem, he will tell you. And more from Asqua to Alaga Junction. No, according to Asante Aropay or J details. I think so. No one found a papenti. Nyame Adma Wachana a Friday on Washa Bosse. He will call and give us update. I'm sure light now more can want some no. Akwene Asan would nyame adma ochna obeba be responding. Thank you very much. Enra mame Western Region Voices. Enra yeko wasa dominance wasa Memfi district. Over 26 communities and a Kambo mu one of the biggest ever demonstration. Medical catcher say me Western Region area wana Ulmine. Ejumadu amuko pie ya ye tete ye ko suku me ko suku wasa dominance ko suku wasankregwa me free hona chese ene ye dia ba betre kumase enti ye dua bi humre ekurase ne ho atu ne efra ye guso enti edumre bi na ye kai since 90s are still development bi anko ho a eya all communities away area ho from my Jaka Manso dominance and Cassia Jedua Sankregwa denta area Ghana nyina about mint Srilanka beka say 60% of cocoa I ba Ghana every Western region ho nanso no development na emrantia wo mo ka wo bo mo ne nananom ayemfo ukọ one area to dominance ya one of the chiefs on one police station on one hospital it's several development, but the government is not helping them. And yet, about we inquire successive government. We have been voting for NDC over the years. My uncle Masoni, any one of the youth leaders in Ennin. But answer and the some of their demonstration voices. Enra Womuni.
And your man, you know, say, on my penny, a kufado, and an albine, ebeye amaye. The edikan, ye share any say, on my best son, a year a coin no free. GOG funding e di akoko rose esan se eno na be kontem ne to to mienu ye hwe anim se with immediate effect anim ya ye be se contractor no eye Memphis Metropolitan every ekwan so ne ye di broni fita aba ye kwan so na wabo ayen ye hwe anim se
FM 87.9
October and was se broni fita contractor eba okwan so
enti ben road na ye main road ekwan na omonam so no Jesus Christ ewo over Facebook page see the road main road the cocoa free so enti car we so ide na tim oh Jesus Christ
nine ye hwe ni mu se December ye be kwa wie ye no na ya sha se ye de quota egu ye kwan yi so we ye ne ya de se de a ye de eto eye o ma pani na ekufu ado ene na ban enim NCDC our Memphis Central yewura PH na
Akoma FM 87.9
Asante yewura Lord na enuru omapani ho say yanso ye bre ye kwan na tete pansam ye wo hwe enyeye apemfo a ewu okwan mu ebi mu ewu ekwan mu edwade enkoso ye hwe ni mu say omo beba na omo bebo aye so omo amma me ye a ya sema ye kan nyina ne say no tide road no election, no third road, no campaign.
Okay. Sir Kujo, one of the youth leaders and one of the conveners of this demonstration. Jesus Christ. Political also Baba, I'm watching more about the Akoma FM and of course, also Chrome TV. Eti, Ushe TV and Pato, baby, I share your hand fan or no.
But baby, I will say, Maso Quanta. Hey, Maso Quanta, main road. Main road, then you can see Maso Quanta.
Damn it.
The one not the idea. And the police were by ya na a for fair time of Mopanoson.
Oh, my, sorry. And it's just a demonstration. The police for an crowd of Huji.
Because Omokasa said BBC emergency, the road will be cost so this area. No, so when they car back, they know it. I think a in the regional commander Nankasa, regional commander Nankasa in the delegation. You could turn on my security 111 men. Say, you may be now, yeah, look at a medical here. ampa security 111 and a bekan ho a di say adwuma di kwan ya wo eye ensunya meye ma so fanta wo domina say ba be san for teri the fire and I wo hwe no da.
So what was the final decisions and penning forces saying?
Sisi na ye kan wo video mu no yen tum nyina ye nan ye dia man penimfo omaje ne feso na say na wo kan wo ka say we DC and we MC you represent us yeni ya nu masem wo MC ya na DC enye uboto musika na yedi be ta kwa eye kan na ye taxes ayi nyina ye ti ye no enu bi na ye stress konna koka o ma fanyi no aban na wote so na so nte na ye nso ye chefa e wo mu no fama ye na wo yeni anka tawuna the whole district kesiye te Memphis Central yen a single type roader umabru ni wahemfu aka omo bom na yenim se ga obabo ye ti domna wodi ya nu masema fama o ma fanyi no ababo ma ni nyam na ka wono ye kodu eye maso amfia ye ni edisi de woni ho
no okwan
you want the coordinator regional council coordinator nyina omo ne omo video omo kwakoye another important meeting na say ye bia
no omo nya we say mo the petition bebre omo
ya we ya seven letter oni MC ye wa Central ya seven letters see police commander can also confirm so na so frame ono go na go commander ne person ko yema omo mi onu nyina ba one center
exactly
e bia omo nyina ko sia wa Central Bank omo mi onu nyina ho na omo ya si da bi obi a beje ne dia won district to omo ya we see e ba
hey Jesus Christ Jesus say for since oduman kwa ba de ne de that was a Memphis enclave no munya hu kota krada
ye hu bidda ye hu kota da de tukwa ye free ha ko se be kwa ana ye be kuma ase ene ye hu kota na wonnam ye ni ye de mu dia but who single time road ewo a Memphis Central ye ni kokura na dey bonde ben ni ye ka djuma aduane awodo so a free ha opo a free ha ekwo body ni banse ya do awodo a free ha kwa aten ye bonde ben ya ye na nanu mu bi na ye bonde na omama ta no me no dia ye sere afie die 87.9 na omunye free sa no me we na ga for the first time I'm in Memphis Central. Yes, you would just a single tile road. Now, Merawan and Robert Remember, Wapa, Mamma, Brewabia. You knew to go with your woman, whatever, and I made 3 days. So I did we to me up why I'm a poor child in Ubia. And Sanama, who I made 3 days, and you will be that. You will be that.
Oh no, oh hell no. And this video scene na yeah. Nti area nkra ba ye na normal info mutime ba ye henfo na info
Akoma ti na normal info atumi ti akotre kete pa an de kan mebo eye dominance eye nana abaso eye kokwa anko temre nana boy juma me ka say nana ne Ghana
but
oni Ghana na watu tuntu tiye biara ni tuchema nana domina se hene nana boy adwuma ma na hemfo a wode akire ja omo ne de and I could believe said the whole dominant town na ye converging point no bia se adwuma bi we ko so
aya nana chamre kokwankra right
yes me ba to an
nana chamre kokko onu anko na esi police station the police station e fecha Asante gwa the police osi hospital so kase e ho
but a hospital na nani DC wono na nanu tese nanu mas tese no dia bin kampu domina se mai na obi ase mo mi so e ma bo mo ye aduane ma demonstrators re nya bi ntoro mo so da bi nyina ya kwakoye ye demonstration je no domina se ta so aduane a wunya bi because in I see a clear young from here at the papa. And why they two chairman dominant, and every Aguna Memphis, Nananoso Bobo, modern, every Uba Ejaka so, Nananoso a Bobo, modern, and I was a penny, a year Kujo, Yami Shirano, Nana born the child, a baby did at the Chay Wubi. Also you see, and you must every Yaba and Cat, so. In your community, they can crack Emma Omobile.
I see.
And you beside the other division, they went to me and see a being divisional school land. No kind of demonstration. You want to want to be any but 5 for no more dear. So be a family, a party, a command dominancy, divisional school land.
Okay. Observer, this was the scene. Right, Benjamin Edu is the producer for the show, and or one of our senior colleagues, journalists. Ahomachibe 2 Wednesday, Tuesday, Wednesday night, right? And omutu free Kumasia Mokoye wane Nana Victor. Ohine ba ko pe a wofia na hini no odi a eden anyame aduma otokokoso DBC ne naso. Odi ade na me ana me ni chief of staff nsase we area ho nyina ye beton dodo na na Ben enra mokoye mame the journey your life to Western region wasadom na se yes check a microphone I say mo maybe mun check a microphone man yes Ben
we are for the past 15 to 17 years the industry we see
yeah man so na say voice no for na check we no
if he say oko amanse na importam abia company say omo kwan de
yeah
na baby am call na me hu say amanse de omo to heaven
amanse for to heaven
I'm telling you amanse to heaven because say we free say hwebe kwai edru asusiaye mu a e ho na obenya quota
oh okay and okra na tutu now from that junction to dominance no to asankragwa
papa bia ni bia
that terrible
na I will hope some say even from Manson okra to body no sa kwan a omoye ni sa kwan no one hit might take you 1.5 hours
and so sanka kwan ni ya you could take about 3 hours from here. And I'm more less than that.
Less than that, which we
do.
Because if we had 2 a.m., a bob 4:15, then you say be quiet.
Oh, okay.
Sonsa, it is a quiet ya, and Casac Brenner a brew or quano sono. You do baby, I just see a piano key. Baby, what am I do? I just say, you piano can because you won't me. Na nem na de boy and say na excavator bi twem into level kwan so kakra ma o yes akra na cars na omo de machines na gumu for the
omo de ko no
enke ntumi nko enke ntumi nko
so say virtually a no go area
hopa de na teacher fo a omo tumi ko na say e bo mo abasopa yi teacher fo na say omo tumi kokurum ho no because say yakasa koye wona sha na say wo kwakọ na oba menye so ubekọ back bi
ubesu
ontimi
ubeka se yakese
ontimi
Akoma FM 87.9
chese promo nyina so e busy town because of galamsey activities
galamsey nti aze
oduru hono ma e freeze and just 6 na ye be fru aba no town bia be duru bia afi na omo pon adwuma omo ba town
wow
e busy na akwan ne de disincentive to omo motikuru ho no mu nyina nkuru a eto aso de ekuru bia ni ho no mu a ekwa papa bi da so a obetumi akasa bia o ye nkasa bia ye to aba no emfa so se ni bia nya o ewo kwan ho quota bia ni potem ho apart from se hwebe kwa to sesiaye
no quota efriwa ba besi asankregwa
87.9 Kumasi
quota ni ba bia na sa sei na yesi yetete wo man enkofo obre na se ekwan abon we so no befa so all the time dia na de I will hope some crane say ko kwa yenya free baby o ma yentumi anko because cars car bi yentumi nko and o ma yenya ntie say villages ne pa no de o ma ye closer to Cote d'Ivoire no o mu ni option bi so betom koko ama Cote d'Ivoire for because o tumi fa koko ma emra koko share bi e wo area ho car ni ntumi ma Kia trucks ne abubo ya na operate one entumi mfa sa akwan ne so enti koko no wo a the best one say on be fa for no be ewura Cote d'Ivoire na o makokoton mo koko enti the bulk of koko a wo say nya free enkurase na ewo domna se ne importable no dodo na dom koko Cote d'Ivoire
enti just say there appears not to be any intervention soon like obi anya crowd so kwa koye bibia sisi aboa wo
for now no say sa kwan ya ka ho asem yi 2014-2015 under former president Mahama time no omo ma contract enti wo ye adwuma na ti from Aguna to Asankragwa no who say ye say ye adwuma ye twa so kakra that stretch no kran say ska contractor ni nsem no wo kase wo ya obaso si akra na omre to ajane machines na si Aguna ene woko nti wo mse since 2020 be ba to aba na o free kwan no so no o ma kwan no so bi but na MC wo wasa Amenfi West Asankragwa Lord Tando ebi enya ntie say last week no contract na ba ho e be di nkomo say o yenya bibi kakra from the Ministry of Roads and Highways until likely said next month no obetumi asan be to asa adwuma no so but the bulk of the job no nya that stretch
that be from Asankragwa to Bekwai
Asankragwa to Bekwai eja ka man so domna stretch no e won the problem no
about to do so ombeto aba
omni option bi ombeto aba
Allah JB I mean to you on this na
me anya me won because me that area ho minim ho pa matna you know that area ho no mwache kakra so minim ho ye pa and at the time ana metoni na kwa na ye west chance we kra dey asa ye kakra but the unfortunate thing is say value for votes no omunya enya de omunya a free Rollins time almost started
about to do an year in Chine bento an year the abreo that is what it is
me kai pass those days Rollins ba hono or the bentoa apeteshi
and Chine
kerosene shade can you shade needs no omo dia ba no aba be che dia ma yekuafo no cocoa seedlings ni na no omo de ba ebe campaign ni na echi no Kofi there was nothing like development enra me kai say baby to say how no say no serious investor bi na ebe
anokwa kwere o
enra zo no mo kasa na network ne kra nye no serious investor onkoye hwe wo ho because okwa akobọ gu kwa. And that is what these are the kind of places I say about play much more attention to.
It is what Kumasi now we are Safo now we are Bantama now you are doom now Kasona yeah red ni parrot one who kinda
and Kofi say over the years
get our priorities
yes over the years also see cocoa production a declining sir
and with him say Debbie na nrecha say me call one of the rural areas me do what me say China for be etete edan bi anim adan a won mu to koko say see wouldn't say Ghana China for to koko
yes no because omo good price
any so omo price no so good chain
bebre
ya enti China for say Ghana ye koko no omo to e de akwa e chocolate ya de no
exactly
Ghana
exactly
ade na ye ho the next 10 years and yama koso Ghana say ya o man we don't have any future
a free enchi de koda de so edeba bonsu jema edeba Sankregwa wasadom na se ne ejekama so Kofi honum ina ye koko growing area and the honum so ben lubo ho be Cote d'Ivoire nti onya ne koko na straight up not their call no nti da bia wo se Cote d'Ivoire fo koko no e wo soro chen ye de and deliberately abane so nya na adwen so person ye bibia just to curb that situation nti koko rules of modern contract na Kofi say abane ba do so ba be review nothing has happened and these are places abane no tinani ko ho no mo siko benya free ho no mo nya sika ketwa sa koko no munya na ebi no mo de abesi golden bean na dada ma for dem wo ha no so ena sa koko na ena sisi koko board for edidi mu peche no omo head office e won cry enkra so yenu koko ho. But look at these people omo di sika ba no look at the kind of life we living in. Very terrible, very pathetic. But I don't know, minim abandon your pet. Baby obenya sika free no onko onti ni nko hwe ho. No ahwe me ho no maye basa. There was a time Anankofo complaining say Cote d'Ivoire for to ekoko. They were giving the farmers good money as against Ghana government. Moreover, acquire modern cocoa be fast free the cocoa area hono mo e dey abesia akoko carry e dey ma PC for no acquire nye e na ebo no so wo fom into o hata the cocoa ni wi a ntempa na o de fa lubu kwan so a eno anu adu Cote d'Ivoire e wo so ben into o de kwana so cocoa nya sika wo hono mo obo na ne wo hanum se bibre e de chain ye sika de no and omo yesa ma de no so e kofom kakra sisi akra de Kofi ne ha adwu wo mu ne se cocoa ni na ne yesa twetwa ni na gu kra de aye galamse nti abana hwehwe han na obi a wabobɔ ne hwene de akere Ghana for say ena ba bia cocoa kra production akɔfom na fa he ko se meanwhile ade se oye no onye akade se oye no onye meanwhile this is a sector effect abano a whooping amount of money cocoa board ko physical cocoa board for wo enye sika ketwa an investment a cocoa board for so enye investment ketwa and abano fa so onye free mu enye fa so ketwa so why is the government not paying attention to that place? That particular sector, DNT and abandon pay attention to it. Yeah, and yami wawa. Ghana hanum se sector be between the SSC and workers sector with the papa. Sector be anyhow. Sector be anyhow. Not even a single sector. Say local government. Say agric. Say industry. Say wine, mining, energy. What sector be the papa? Education. Almost every sector be there are issues. And issues also a legitimate issue at that for so many years. The only sector a year papa and for the presidency. We don't call it a sector because they control every affairs of the states. And that is so terrible. But be a band benyes kefino, a band say on no own fee and Omokwa and the best and say. And that is what we are seeing. Kofi demonstration on moye dey just a normal key fit and omokoye. Omeko so a demonstration for so many years inside there go just about bi ba no aka so hu omobo. Okay. Because about we so or the contract na Kofi just a gimmick. Just another no that. Because there's no way de kwakoya kwan no. There. Only sika de kwakoya kwan no. And this is the type of amount so a yes ya kwan ni na no ye from private sector e ma na nye no wi awatu. You told but in association ye free kwan so e de kwakwa eju so dan. Now so what do you do? E dey na bet me aye. The private sector is also not ready to invest into places like this because one, this same stretch of roads no enkofo free ho no mo aba besena kokro kesim. Omo be kon kran be ko omo be ko takra de be ko omo be kumase aba. Omo be ko other places so akọ. Enti omo wo ho no genuinely there are no skilled adwuma wo ho no mo ametumi de omo sesi omo aka so mo ye. A production metumi akosoro. And that is what they experiencing. Enti we omo ko so ayesa de we omo kasasa.
Thank you but another pay ye benyam re na fe ya interrogate on other issues but for the next 20 minutes enra mansha dem be phone but anyway I've seen a video of Kennedy Akomprekwe Japan storming Asante region with tracks of emu pa
da Kofi aye won wa Kennedy Japan dey say nya won wa Kofi
ade
enya say dey the first time o ye ni ora fi says on ba be yechiri wi a otumi yes ane man bro so
okay
enya de foforo de mark Kennedy e ba na doye dia I mean among all the yenyi political yes among omo contest na Kofi e ka obi oya doye pa Kennedy e number 1 eti me enya me wa me hu se Kennedy ya doye a I am not surprised
we cast ni yes say ade de na form o
enya wanwa enya wanwa Kofi
any cast me ensa no nse ebi say si ho ewie aba we nyina e monko a onabo kene Japan party office wo Asante region ahana ebi yi enema no me ameka say do na frame Kufuado Kwabri East yaba ba be yi enema no cast no de dosu ye obi aboa Kennedy all the way on da ben ni abre papa osi da Kennedy osi nya Kennedy kwa ko ma ana ma be de da ben osi nya Kennedy osi nya Kennedy ga ka ma ma be de mo fa ai akonya ma de owo adwuma pa pia ai Kennedy all the way enya papa we ya sa de we unta hu bi ya to pressure ma mo be da your coordinators in the John. Kodiba papa. Yeah, Mr. Brave in the John. Safari Gardens, papa. Yeah, top pressure mom, one better. Can't walk on this one. Yes. Champion. Yes, that's happening. Yes. Yes, but me try. Say. Yes.
Right. So, for Obayam Facebook page, you see tracks of cars. Minim ni pardon do I de breomo. But jebi emu dosun.
Obi na say mu omo hihye no omo office or crime ko.
About 3
enya de beko ho.
And when okay, so we getting clarification now. Say enye last
yeah,
December.
some of the bread delegates near there from Bronya and Nasifo. Kofi says I deal with
no.
So say Bronya no oye.
Akoma ni nchiremu.
Ena for nkrabufo no yomuchiri ano so. Oye the same thing. I am not surprised. Says I deal with ekoso. We there the keto credit Kennedy. I mean, he is one of those guys omo ye adoye papa. Is animal we no there. Me tise Kennedy aya. Any other person here be me one, but Kennedy here enya me one.
Okay.
Habit
yeah. So that is the clarity. And after about 2 years, last year December, yeah. That is what yenya confirmation from the Kennedy Japan team. Now, me pacho. Next issue Boache Jakon. Boache Jakon statement aba. Akujama will project Boache Jakon statement. Boache Jakon said is withdrawing from the Nyamea Andoma November 2nd election. Why? Because the party is not treating him fairly. And yet withdraw say one kasa neni na kumem neni aje and will withdraw. Or withdraw because he's not happy. Or withdraw because Enema party no he's not happy with it.
Or withdraw not because of anything. For one reason, but your money about to na question. Say Council of Elders for the be decide ama omono. Obekwa break it tie no. That is the only worry. Say by say naka delegate for ni na about 964 delegate for na kwakwoto abana. Naka he wasn't going to pull out.
Yes, or say or withdraw because or party now flouted the constitution.
Well, apart from self party now flout, you know this is a manner or no the whole ebasem. Ewo party ni mo a eno kokofa asem bebreba ya sisi ano akwakwa ese oni Kufuado led administration no eti NTA he speaks very ill of the party, activities of the party na sifoni na wo bianko ye fama no. And this is the same person I was say Kufuado ememeto ne so aba. What do you expect? Okay. The same person say Kufuado beto so aba. What do you expect? Enya de beto de aba no.
Interesting.
Yes, so I mean it's a good choice for him. He has made a very wise decision.
That but still we make akoto aba no.
No, but the Kufuado I'm try there.
No. So Oman toa.
What's we pull it out?
We pull it out cry we make akoto. Eyi koye no. my way. What's the name? NDC.
Mahamana.
Before pull it out.
Yes.
The party went ahead.
No, that's not the night.
Law. Someone kwankotoa. It's a zoom.
But if you say na between Kojobosu ne ayi.
Na say we say between ayi. Between
no, no, it was just a day. I'm saying 2 days or a day after.
It doesn't matter.
And I wait there no.
By law, they have to go and vote.
Well,
and Omri Kusuo. Now, Omoto, Nedipa one cry. They will not do acclamation.
Abroad, no one will pull it out.
And they will print.
And why waste their time for?
So, is that he is not doing it in good faith. He's doing it out of.
Kofi said whichever way he's doing it, the party should accept it in good faith because this is a written document. And it can be proved anywhere at any time.
Okay.
Or no, say.
Now, no, yeah, NDC for Nkomo Asawasi na Muntaka Mubarak and the chairman. You say at the event, I say, we caught on Yedu and Umar Harris.
Yes.
I know Mokasa.
Omar Harris is the chairman.
No, Omar Harris is a spokesperson for the chairman.
Oh, okay.
In fact, as we speak, there's a statement I'm in Saka. NDC as a party has suspended Yakubu Toniedu and Omar Harris. Yakubu Toniedu. Suspended Yakubu Toniedu.
Suspended.
Well, I was a NDC Nibium. You suspended. Almost why
the original secretary said you were not serious. At all.
Who saw Koke can send me? Yes, I with you.
Me see, woman, party now. When you're serious, when you can tell us ministry when you're serious. Offer. Winning. Now, no, friend,
aye.
Makasa at your regional executive.
That be one Kasa executive.
As someone can say, as a was consultancy chairman. What you as a was your idea so very when you want Kasa Tireno, a national organizer, and a deputy regional youth organizer, any just a funny saying.
Joseph,
one shot on the show. 87.9 one guy be a warrior, and you are someone in the
and one can be beyond.
Because the regional secretary, Asante region, NDC, Yamunti, the regional secretary was serious. Guess I make us an say. No, me a club dealer, me a consultancy executive view, me a former executive. Me sorry, and a probably me continue acquire me by me scraps. But party nina me Akoma. Two, so what here? I have next week, next 2 weeks, your friend is registration exercise. Me as a water consultancy. Me first person before Muntaka Sika. Say young Cobra registration exercise. Now me my sky our consultancy say Muntika Caribbean I want to go to me. Mundina Munfan supporting. What he has suspended me. 3. This your registration. Would you call out to be a she only drinks me biscuit ever but till end of the registration. Me bottom sicker and me eat a craft. It must MG na fine. Miss Wandisika before the registration, me to me some Wandisika getting to 20,000 Ghana cedi. Therefore, no pinche. One regional secretary me what the 2 no NDC. One what the 2 no NDC. What you as a watch I didn't question some sorry offer. What did you say? You know also so don't even try to say dear who ye as a watch chairman, dear who ye child. What tell me? As a watch consultancy chairman, what tell me? What do you mean? Sir, what suspending me? Suspending me. Me are meaning Koni. And from you sorry, I'm a company scraps. No, what you don't let us a pen, John, and there. Say, who was suspending me? Wallahi, you will what can friends say what you are. Never office to Wallahi, say what come after party.
Now, I'm afraid beside the okay.
What friend? We are audio.
Obi am Friday the LT and is suspended.
What's your share of offer? Your nice share. We be 1%. We go 2024. That's one line make up for
Akoma FM 87.
Okay. Tornado, my info will see her, but we'll get the regional executive to get details from that. But the breaking news is that Yakubu Tornado, and they've suspended him as a party member.
Why an official or your notification?
Any letter signed by the regional secretary. Okoja Mike Uguru, that is the letter. It's been suspended. Now, but maybe on hold on cry any position. So he's been suspended as a party member. Anyway,
political parties are more surprised. A friend is a hopes that no your friend is hopes that no position better. You position. And sometimes you see, hey, the politics they are blinded. Though I say, we be on person before the come to me fan ko. The chairman and the way no omoko.
And what will be your back and what's in your back? My young corner, young baby, I young con, I be near pumping a time heba. Oba Abigail at the same. And I'll pay my good news from time heba.
Medase etie for ni adofo apomdenchi akese ena me free time herbal center asuyeye ebre Akoma FM etie for enyina edra na patutu se na se agi egwa eya na nye bibi ntia o eye apomde ho nkyerɛkyerɛ ene ye debre etie for enyina se eya na me kama asem se apomde mapa de eho aye den pa eyie eno ti se wote apomde mapa ho asem free se ya na watie no wayi wudie afri mu esan se ene yare adoso ye didi ye nom ye di akoniaba yi de yare na ne befesa ama ye ho ye se ye didi apapomuden enso na yade enenemu ye num so apapomuden enso na yade enenemu nam dofo pa ansa na mekasa no ma memfa doctor number ento dwa esan se wanti bibia se bibi chewo so empo openchiemu aburu mi de yi so a number obefre ese so 0244 417 669 0244 417 669 time time onipa bia ya time se odene bebo ne bra empo adwuma mu hanum se eyemre ene de ye adwuma eno nti se wan famre anya wa adwuma wonia manyina ensisusu pepepe me pacho ene de edika time HH herbal mixture ene ne capsules time double H na time double H ni dwuma su a edie enie me dofo se wutie me na se uye obi a immune system ewo forma me pacho me kan for time HH herbal mixture ede amount say nunum bi na ebeboa ama won so no wanya ahoden mapa se onipa bi eni ahoden mapa eya na ahoden na pomudin no eya na etochima anase etosine eno nti ewo so utimi boost immune system no time HH herbal mixture me pacho eye immune booster time HH herbal mixture uyi obi a immune system no ewo form ye ka immune system ama min shomu ti awane ti ase emame mi refidue mu hanum se na security eti animu honum obusa me nia me beye wo hanum ansa na o mama bo awuramu ane wo hwese nipa boni bia emonwura fidue mu hanum se ofi a wasi wafa security ato ano se de beye okronfo bia emonwura fi honum sanso na ye nipadua no obo ade boye no omaye ohwefo metre security se omo ye nipadua no ho ban emfi nyaroa eho eno na science for ato ne din immune system eno ti ohwefo no obo ye nipadua no ho ban emfi nyaroa eho obi wo honum a yade bi ekowu a ekra no ena miti ochina me ye memfe dan da wonya baby e complain edientia esanse ne security no oni ahode ode beye adwuma immune system no aye weak immune system no aye mre security it we sa no pay osori ye no woni di ya ontime ye na adwuma eye empo beso meso ni entua ne ka adwuma ye no kra ebeye basa bi amano sa na ye immune system e wose ye sori a yetimi boost no yetimi shane de yetimi ma na aduane edi na aduane aye betimi de ama immune system no ama na nya ahode no watimi aye na adwuma eye time HH herbal mixture TIME time HH herbal mixture time HH herbal capsules doctor ansho so betoni mienu nyina abom da bida wo se opa obetimi ato mixture no open so a obeto capsules ne a wo pebia obeto na wanom na wo de boost immune system no se yade bi e ba oni padua ni ma immune system no be ko atia no be hwet ni nyina aba abonten umpewe na open to kwa me pa cho da bi mana moto na ko ba bi eton adrobia na ko pe time HH herbal mixture ene ne capsules bi enonom na ebeboa amopom de no SCP na esita wo boost immune system awie no immune system na ba be ko atia nyarewa enyina menua ma no ma mutie mi anopa yenso yedie enie esanse oba bi ehia time HH herbal mixture anasa ne capsules e de abone ho ban every bacteria infections ehun Uyoba, when your bacteria infections, bacteria infection cra and no any DIM. So bacteria infections about swa. And ye may be moments when your bacteria infections no. A business what's in cabetiaco. Wahin fio besha say ayo hini. Ubetiti hoba water afina in so be fi wahin fionum eba. In suone banana enka ediachi. Afe cra de diachi cranny say and sansa base precase. A wahin fiono. Minua ba. Sanyama wina and same faton. Na near my masadi we eba in ye. Ye nim say public toilet aye koso no ene ye nkwa ne koso no ntine se public nipa dodo ade a omu nyina ekoso eno ti se koso a wonim ne a obako ye no jade a na e wone ho a ode betena so anso ko ye no wakwa akotena so make us say number 1 edo me chere say we edo woko ya watena so wonya brekra emfa yibia empepa so no anso watena so empo pepa so kra busa ho se ade na wode apepa so no ebetimi akunkum bacteria na debi eno to ye dan bacteria no obefa bi wonya akotena so say ekima emwa wana boy wa himfie honom ubenya bi ebiem enam nhyiade wona odofo bi di empaso agro onnim nia wo free ni ho baaye empu nim yade wo no ho ne kwa akodi saa agro no afi no akwa contact saa bacteria no ebi eno nti mo wa ne bowre mu saa na obonse no mo sai wa himfie honom no ye wo entine bi wo ya himfie honom na se ni padua ni mu a me patcho science for friend nerves saa nerves no eno ne ma wunya atenka eno na se yeso page out say me page ne so ayem de na me ho ayem yiri nanso wo de yeso page out kikirikim yeso won saw kikirikim ye kisi wo kikiriki dia be ye wo bia wo gina wo na so te say age wo mu nhweda adenti ayisa se watenka no ateko obisime de akodi achiwe agese me ne medofu ni di nhyiamu ba ko mien de to so miensa ansa na mata sister adai ne maame anwo na ama no de na ho de nyina abrew
okuna hye
okuno sister miensa de adai miensa enye miensa de ane ye wo say ubetimi akom miensa nanso so hu be ma no say ofre adwuma bai wabre weda no akache no ena wo so akache wo ena wo ba be bre ne ho de ba akwa bre wo so me de miensa me pa cho watenka no ba bi akwa akodi no me pa cho koto time HH herbal mixture anasa ne capsules enonom no watenka na mra ni mu na be man de ne nsa so mu a wanya atenka bi na ho aye wujiri umpewe na opedie menua ba wahimfio eye wo hene ensu ogu wahimfie kwan ebie admission in progress dane da school foforo aye bie kwan na to so bia metwere ne bedi adentia sanse wanya bacteria infections ensu na egu ne nka de atwire oba bi tena se ono atem se scent no watena se ne mpo wote scent ne se eba obos no chichechicha na ni kurukuru se kitchen bob wonim se bia obi ate sister onko anu ato scent fa eje se be ma obebo awura honum no na obete sa scent no me pa cho siesie wo ho enye oba ne woba o oba ne de na himfie sipi na esita oba ne de na na bowura na himfie anu adenden te se de oti apaka mu wogi na egwa na otena se a wo hyemra boate mamufuo menua ba wo mpewe na apede me meti hei menni medofo beba me chafe na mami nkodware mrade bi sanse maboa me ho dada me patro me de me ho atwe obotantim bi aye friend time HH herbal mixture anasa ne capsules me nunu ma ada ne da ma ye ready se mekọ okono me nua ba fa nto bebo me dia no ne nyina sa okona no pepepa ye mo shake bia eye time HH herbal mixture anasa ne capsules oba ma ATM no enkasa mawo me pacho oba ma kokofuo no so mramfa so ema kokofuo we ni kokofuo o ma me agugu ase adodo ase e de ama ase me dofo pa e brush so de bebo obra woni wonua bia ni chefa woni abusuani bia ni se wate kokofuo ni nti ye nche dabi we ni won kwa kokofuo a odi bedidi wo ho me mi kokofuo me se me ti we me ma gi me ATM na me de nam time bia me ti mi ko yiska wo pese wo do ntoma bebo me de ano de a ene me pacho ma woni nchro ba bia ton aduro bia na ko pe time HH herbal mixture anasa ne capsules bi eno no ba ensansa na ye prekese wo ho no ensuo na egu no enka na edi achire no me pacho ni nyina ebejai oba bi gina nipa dom kura na oti mitia na yakase oh sister adai wo ye ntoma katade so ni bia na me nua ba ense emfata ho fa etsew wotimi hu oba bi na waje mienu ahye ne nsa na ne nsa so sanso da stia so twensa na wakogina hwem no aro hu na na ahye na ne me so me chimato ene de he oba no wasiesie ne ho ankasa be ma ni boru ahonom no na afa wo ye bedianko ontimi nko biem ache no waka enchie we opedi ebiem me pa chokoto time HH herbal mixture na ne capsules enonom na ebesiesie amwa ye obesima ankasa yensa haye si ye chima fidia ne se ye chim wo chim na abeto ha what yapomde nchire me pa cho the doctor number ne frɛ no so want to be ase a number no 0244 417 669 0244 417 669 me nua bema onso wutie me pa cho bema bitimi yi ne bema to ne nsem posa ne se wo posa ne se wo posa me pa cho obema nye samna na odi atosa poso aposa so oguso do bema to nsem posa mpa cho behi memeti e bema obema ye tse full stop mempe obema ye tse tse anoma yira no mempe wo yira no mempe aye tse ke o mempe e wo se wo yiri ma ensanse gugu bema ho ama se wo posa na se wo posa ho bema nahi me pa cho me nua bema koto time HH herbal mixture anasa ne capsules no na sansa ne bejai na bema ne bejina ne naso te se de etie no bema bi won ma odwunso wiepe na insu fita bi fini bema mu eba me nua bema etimi ma mema yo eso ete bema bi won ma odwunso a wote yaw bema bi timi de ne 19 tintin fom chembe ifo a yetu ne be ya ma no na ne 19 tintin fom na wanwe ne se aduasa miensa ne nyina ba abonten adenti ane dwunso no a wodwunso eje ne ja oni nyina chi na bema no ne dwunso no apai mienu minua bema wonya bacteria infections se bema wonya sa we nyina e kire sa infections edidi wo mu ache sanse bema de se sa oha ne ba oni padua no ma acha na wotwe mienu e wo se wonya san e kire se wonya chimato bi e wo bema na so de wayi wani e na aduru sa biaye no me pa cha ma na moto e na kwa ba bi eton aduru bia na kwa time HH herbal mixture na se ne capsules ibi enonom oba se wo bu nse wie me kire se wonya menses ewia use time HH herbal mixture na se ne capsules na fa so fini nyina ka bontene besene eko na de wom kra ne se me pa cho esiesie wa himfio no enkototo ne ma bi won kwanche fa nwurawura ho se wo mo himfio no ache de bi obesen so anya ha foforo eye time HH herbal mixture ene ne capsules ebre ene de abre mo na ebre ne de boy bra ma me fa time herbal mixture ntwato emaw malaria tete ensuo etoto me be se de weather ne se an akache me nya kam de kuntum group be kata me nanso die medienti eno ntumi do fo pa unso gin die obedienti ene abusua ho ne koto time herbal mixture enonom na fa boost energy no met patcho malaria ka wa hyedem malaria behwete afu ni paduanim wonum na ato na wontimi enidie ene subire etetel eye time herbal mixture maybe na ye be want to be ase bibi che so number 0244 417 669 time herbal mixture time HH herbal mixture onso wadanse emri me da wase
papa my na wase abusafo Abigail na moten kind of from time herbal bomodin na for wani ho medical catcher say Kofi memma wo ade a and the best medicine for now you can get a time herbal na another pay enra and I day the breaking news Ebrel from Gabon as we speak is a boiling country. Gabon Ali Bongo for the third time Nanka Osantana Akunyaso as the president of the state. Ali Bongo conspiracy theories ahodwa ebe nyina dia manfo kasa ono kra no ne fafiri Nigeria e Biafra side Ali Bongo he converted to become a Muslim and will take over the affairs of the nation. Ne papa na eye Omar Bongo from 1967 watana konwane swa babesi eye 2009 ono ankasa ne ba 87.9 Kumasi Ali Bongo enso atake over Ali Bongo nso take over BC just last Wednesday. Wawari yire no mienu na yire ba ko US lady file for divorce in 2015. France ni be the other so an nete wa 4. Anti ne yire no nyina kra bia anya Gabonese. Omu nyina mrofo ne ade. But my yankwa ma so na emra an authority to give us a perspective. In fact, last week yayeni Umar Farouk have Edin Komo. Catch as a Kofi. Watch out these countries. Gabon, he mentioned Gabon. And wakache me say mention Cameroon so. Na yenhwe Guinea, Equatorial Guinea. In fact, this man is Africa about history. He international diplomat. He is more or less more than a prophet. But mamen kwa umasona mene Umar Farouk Wahab Ennin Komo, international diplomatic consultant. Now as we speak US, abwa humachebe 4. But Asante mai any Akoma effective for who don't was govi. I'll get time for you. Senior, my am watching more Akwaba. Emra Akoma FM. All the way from US. Bibi abakode.
Okay.
Yani wudin komo, you gave this prophecy, say what you knew, say it was about to happen. Gabon is down. Then you bedu baby Edri.
Okay, I'm in chairman now, I'm in chair for. Odimba is my very good friend.
Oh, I see.
I'm their certified consultant. Anything that Gabon does with Israel and Russia, it was me.
Wow.
My name, Foreign Minister, Mr. Former Foreign Minister, Mr. Oseji, he will tell you. Yes, you can ask him. You can ask Mr. Oseji.
Wow.
We visited him. So, just not any secret. My name is Oseji. We hosted him in 2017 when His Excellency Nanado was sworn in. Mr. Oseji acted for Ghana government, and I was the coordinator for the President of Republic of Ghana, now Ali Odimba. And even the name is Oseji, what happened when he came from the airport, Ghana allocated him to go and sleep at Kempiski, but now Menin were different plan. So because now some Gabonese students plan to do demonstrations, alcohol. So I hosted him in a location just near the police headquarters, at the back of police headquarters, before some of the neighbor presidential swearing-in ceremony at the Independence Square.
Man, who's in the picture? You and him and the picture na edasui. Wow.
Okay, so I'm very close to him. Apart from that, there are issues with there are a lot. I mean, I can't say much. Odimba is a very good friend. Let me put it that way. Yes, it is true, sir. He's been taken ill for some time, and it is true, sir. Only papa combined, Omediade, Ache. Me, what is not right, it is not right. I've personally, more or less, have had engagement, discussions with Odimba on my views about his long stay. And to me, it surprises me. Say, Nyame you were born in a family. Now, one would say, yes, there's a dispute as to Odimba. Say, or true born Gabonese. Yes, reality is that Onye Ali Omabongo Nanyaneba.
Okay.
What do I say? Oninia Amisa.
I see.
Bongo Obano. Now what it is say Ono Odimbano. It is true, say ne papa Ekofano or Akwa Ibom State area ho baby. That is during the Biafra war. Na Omo orphanage. Intiali Omabongo Ekoho. That's senior no and Uhua Crown and what in the by. And this was secret shared Gabonese people. It had been an argument before, but it was not even voiced out until certain years, especially any papa and few any papa no ha. Nobody could have just voiced it out. And that is the way a buyer said. Even the papa no Oma bongo na mu nankasa no. Na onye 100% Gabonese of Free Central African Republic Bongi. And an a part is free Congo Brazzaville. And at that time, we are from African French Equatorial, EFA. And the African French Equatorial, no, 3 countries.
Okay.
Ne Bongi, Central African Republic, Gabon, and then Guinea Equatorial. And Guinea Equatorial, no, could be Spanish for her. And it's the president of Guinea Equatorial. He is the Gabonese, Obiangema. Bakete for no, Omleto Ngema. There were two we say no, or Baketini, Oyangema.
Okay.
Okay? So Obiangema and a Gabonese, on side no, and a Gabonese. Now we say no, Oyem, our free no. Ho Ugoe no, and yet a ho Ankasa no Mukru. Me mame, Patience Debani no, the mother was born in Congo Brazzaville. Ena Onwa Ali Omabongo Dankasan was born in Congo Brazzaville. Ena Bertrand, Madame Fouis Ali Odimbano. Alain also was born according to a honor omdini free, but check ne mame records. Ne mame no, ne papa no no about 15 years. And the time papa no ebeye Gabonese president. Our own village na Gabon for accuse mame ne say on say near friend Marie Kama. Marie Patience Kama. Ni dian kasa ne mame ni din no. And the woman was a musician. American and not titi.
Okay.
And the papa no ware no na Gabon for accusing so. The woman was quiet and out of Gabon. On records, no, if Sanebane Madame Fodimba, nega mame no onyim Odimba 2 years. At the time we presenting or Gabon, so I will never say anyim 2 years. And it became a mystery. And on the bay papa ni firstborn. And for whichever reason, no, Amisa, so. Misa Bongo edin beka that time no na papa no Bertrand no or ye Christian no shada nye no African religious person into obabe Muslim no or convert in 1977 and oxisa the money din Emma Ali and Amisa Bongo. That is what happened. Now ne papa no, of course you and I know say and yes so sorry I no be president or Congo Republic. Na oko school our France. Onne Abdou Diouf, ene Abdouad of Senegal, and Hassan Habri of Chad. All those people now omdi French, post-independent, before I had the mama sa yimno. Omina French deputies. Omko Ministry of Omdomko Ekosha a Greek ministry because the French understood say almost survivor was the African continent, money was African continent, and food was African continent. And when a white man was a minister in France of Agrica, all the deputies, for deputies be quite 60.
Wow.
Dodo Africans. Until Trinua near Duaba. You train you no so those deputies no are no students or France no the republics in the Bama independence no share that is why they ruled for so long with the exception of Polaijo of Cameroon on Polaijo no no Cameroonian northern pro English and to somehow no English and French but also there no the Paul Bia no near French ya the guy Emmanuel Prime Minister. Probably I'm President Kwakeke. Why a Prime Minister for 7 years and son will be the president in 40 something years. I can't. What did I say? When Polaijo Hono, no Commissioner General, and was Ababe Prime Minister, and they from Prime Minister no Odi Nachi or a Polaijo Prime Minister. China French phone was a Polaijo Chema woman, and no a Cateno, and de Pobia a buyer with the idea permanent. Look. 7 years no sanye sabi Gabon for ni introduce 7 years no
okay
na French for na ye de da ho Togo ontwa ni dim Côte d'Ivoire and esesa ni de e de ba 6 and subsequently Laurent Gbagbo e de ba 5 years until then Côte d'Ivoire na French country be in West Africa no ko 7 years mandate for one term and it was indefinite because the French was protecting their interest by using the people they trained And the one would say, so, me papa the idea 42 years, me papa the idea 42 years. That is correct. But the point is that 42 years, was not Ali Omabongo. It was the French system that put him for 42 years.
Okay.
What about the Guinea Equatorial? Yes, of course. What about the Guinea Equatorial, which was also, like I said, it was African France Equatorial. Guinea Equatorial, I didn't know Biangama. It was the same thing. That side of it was a French. And I'm saying French, for Spanish here, that call them the Maumo. And I'm Kate region. And this Obi babies, I say, voter region. Time a German for no transporter to go land. Can somebody say a flower? I want you to go. There be. Can somebody say a Togo? There be. The same thing. But your background here noise major call no.
If I tell me to you.
The background is too noisy. I don't feel comfortable because the feedback becomes very heavy in my ears. I didn't change, but I'm just for the purpose of said the introduction. I'm awake just to speak to you guys. It's better so that the public can make an impact.
We apologize.
Okay. Now, it's okay. It's okay. So this has been the system. Said Ali Omabongo onu a free in Chrome a Congo Brazzaville. A dentina. Yakani me 42 years answer na Sasungwesu Denise. Sasungwesu Denise also to 38 years, 39 years. It was not the same thing. 7 years. Now my point is that Ali Omobongo Bayeno, there was money. And then what he did, French for the man yeah. Shababiam oil resort no ewo. Port Gentil no. Port Gentil na could do crew in suicide is on the island, a home to oil no. And the Shell Gabon, I France for Shell no. A home no macotina. Oma new road and found quota, France for na new road. And Roma vessel. And the vessel no so much say vessel na. Oil be a motion could be a no be any man. And we see quarters at the September. And or the ma oil workers, a home from Port Gentil. Like I said. A port gentle like Tama Port, a Kronidino. And the whole country Misikan a war. And I will buy the other side on the lander. A year uyim, any friend go, any French baby, we say Morigeno, Olimba Morigeno, a Hoabaya land. Alioma Bongo was only made to construct a road from Libreville up to Franceville. And Kati the whole Ekrono road network was be out. New roads no. It was the French. No. And see airports. Every village. Into Gabonese in Libya no see a full bus. So free. Kumasi air Kokonongwa. There's nothing called a route. They have an airline and then Lebanese and they are near friends Sober Air or Bagana Kwa. Sober Air no ya trotro ya mobile airplane ufo ya no. No what go to take off in London. It's a helicopter, passenger helicopter, and ready to the whole country. So Gabonese knew nothing than enjoyment, and he didn't make them work. Obi a officer, I do sergeant in the army, and a police, You are a French citizen. In every Gabonese, 1.2 million that time, the time best 600,000, 800,000 Gabonese. They are best set, French for best set Nikrano. France don't need best set Koto Paris. And to best set cry that in Paris. But of course. So such a president, how would you expect him? And he was handing over power to whom? Because woman go school kakrano na eso se ne papa ne go school no nyina na te France and a France prepare woman nyina no mbegu ye enti ye Omabongo president ne ministers nyina France for na do mbae so they didn't leave.
Really?
Yes, of course. France for the training Gabonese for na the man as ministers. In Tinanya said, Ali Omabongo Nkwan in rule country in 42 years old. Only a French system that was put in there to protect the interests of the French. And
so more or less it was just a caretaker, but the administration was remote.
Everything necessary. Till today, as we speak, water supply and Gabon, their Air France, their Cameroon water supply France, their airport of Gabon, Air France, their airport of Douala, Air France, their electricity Gabon, France, their electricity Cote d'Ivoire, France, their water supply Cote d'Ivoire, France, their till today as we speak. Till today as we speak.
So then, that's why they are still under their colonial masters' control.
Central Africa one day chaka tankra. Ocean Yama fancy for Cameroon. Say a road porto kitu abua. No Cameroonian government official and I say any your friends a Ghana from urban routes. I'll be timid cement gusu. No, it's not possible in France, it's not possible in Gabon, it's not possible. Oba my friendship for Abekrusu road no aso light. Amobia Jinaho, there's so light as using a French fabro for company from Paris. Road Kekena, Porto Nebu Ataiba Kukureti me feeling. It take France for 3 weeks, no more. No my editor. Namo bre, that is the system. Into Ali Oma Bongo 42 years. No? When we are speaking and we are talking on the subject of say Wacheno, we will have to deal with the subject and we will deal with Odimba, his failure, and why he is where he is now. Now, Papa for the 2 years in Iran, they do elections because the first president, Onom Bini Bayano, and San Odimba Babano, Ali Mabungo Senior and Babano. No, I won't say, as a French in as a person, you're coming from Amstar Nibi. Pro-African, and I'm so okay, and I'm trained the proper one will train Yankasano, and Yali Bongo. Okay. And Yali Bongo Nususono, no Mususun say, on ye Gabonese 100%. No. He would deal with the issue for the French to protect his interests because Umkofa free the other side of Gabon, which is the Brazzaville, Congo, other side of the French African, no Congolese, and Umkofa free ho. Yawon Congo. Nere patience de bani e Congolese ena onua munsusu be president ena obe president no ya protecting sa 7 years no omo koya akwam so be 2009 owu 2009 no this is the catch. Odimba Ali obidika be minister of foreign affairs at a very young age in his 30s.
Yeah,
na papa no tiase no obey minister of France for 2 years. And na papa no fan as minister of defense and the minister of defense na into wuye no enye ono ankasa get the story clear and okaso be president no
okay
quiet to say ya demade na debi it wasn't the case. That's why Demba no a musician.
Okay,
Ali, he was a musician. Not to him American. Ne ma mean person the money. Ne ma mean a musician. Or a popular musician of America, only American James Brown on out to Tunuma. And the time now, Papano, Ebijai, Nemamini Bijai Papano. That is the story people do not know. Nemamina and Cassan Romini and Oya Nemamino, only a Miss Akopins and sister Nibe Frimino. Sad the patient de Banino. Tama Papanja 1987, Papano called France. The woman was still the first lady. Now Mija and chair. She was still powerful like Winnie Mandela. And Okofre, the governor of Central Bank of Gabon. And Okofre, your friend is saying, the minister of finance, Ekachen said, Mo papa say, our France, na omuhia sika, urgently. And don't pack good, our bank, and don't pack his Kenya. My men, a crew issue for America for, because no way pro America, only American for them. And or packy crew who sikani gold in BBI and would go jet so now poor to America. That is how name I'm for America. Eddie free Gabon. Ujani papa, and that is the punishment. Oh, I need Scarno. Oh, be a major mansion, no man any and over to American way no concert. Baby, I know in France. About to New Europe or our bonds will be patience the bunny. Beautiful woman. Or none and Banyeli. Ali Nemus not America, and Ali not Trinum. He was a funky musician. Into ono be any papa the defense minister no ono na ye na adwen say obe reform ne papa no ye no indi ne papa no ye no maami no di kama ne be ye no no di 35 days din jup obedi 35 days ena ba ko susu be di 128 days omo ana tina ase ena omo se sa na tie dia Ali enye ena Ali say obe reform ne ma ne papa no ye no sa ekuru rules no only the ultimate master your airline system no obe pave roads no nemo ade a won touch e salaries eno om so won sign say ne papa ministers oja o nyina no on change ba kokora eno ote ase so they also more or less protected him now protected no and he say obi a wazum the role ne papa no defense minister nanka that dey obetima working to be the president but he didn't the National Assembly General du Gabon na tinase eno ma obaye interim president the job for 35 days and about so be 120 days which is about 3-4 months into we no year election or say to election election eno ma de ne koye party no PDG no Gabon your friends Democratic Party du Gabon de ne chairman e de ne presidential candidate eno to abano on oppose the whole country in man 90%, 95%, 100%. No opposition in Gabon. And obey a president. 7 years. Obaka kopim subu. Or yeah, in the first 7 years in Yen. Guess who? And the started say obe contesting. A year on one conta. This is time Miss Anikun. Do you know say Gabon? Or Dimba 2016 the contesting were Chinese. Japan no ne papa no etiaso no na ye Gabon oye minister all the 42 years na papa ni die Japan na ye oil minister oye Chinese Japan
one nationalize Gabon and also that's why Chinese
ne papa Japan no ne mame nan mami ya Gabonese but ne papa no wo ye Chinese ni wo ye no China ni na ye Ali Omabongo papa no wo ye no on ye China for na ye no bodyguards they were Chinese French on the China for so a French citizen yes the guy the papa na kopun so bewu and this papa ne ba those days no ne ba any Japan we and papa Ali Bongo no so day ye Odimba madam for Ali papa sister or my sister ketwan edin ma oyi minister no warrior Japan you bibi papa ne president nase a wode ne baba de ama no Japan ye Chinese ni ye oil minister for 30-42 years sika no ho ne koye sika no papa no ne wo Japan ho ode hwe ne ba no na one ne ba no wo amisa no one ne wo 3 enti Ali Omabongo wo fa aseni wo mu and the time na Ali called first 7 years UM or second term 2016 the end a year before Ghana the end beban and a Japan and then a papanko crafuni na ko form another party and so my day almost challenging into a say but mo ka say papa wuye no mo na mo ka say menya de no and I'm assuming your reforms into onukwa the first person or my youth a young person etimbe your friend is saying chief executive any minister maybe in see Gabon Chrome holder entirely introduces some money reforms for your information Ghana pharmaceutical giant be Chrome I am Chrome Ghana and you know other country like Tobinco Tobinco I took Tobinco not chief executive like NHIS or Gabon on the top government in public drugs. It's me who solicited Mr. Tobinco to even produce a malaria drugs, any other things. Emma Republic of Ghana. Young boys now introduce women. Women politicians in the map. Until they are not in charge of NHIS, a boy of about 32 years. Many Mr. Tobinco, you can sign agreement to me. As my 5 years. Sunday, you could be a Gabon embassy, Ambassador Minko, and your sign agreement. You took car from Accra, Mr. Tobinco in charge. Emma Ghana Migration Police can home, and your sign agreement.
Wow.
Time Mr. Tobinco here drew me young boy, Anna, or no introduce you, say, Omuni chief executive, Name Papa Kokra for Nian Tangen. Sika 1.2 million, Mr. Tobinco, boy, need this can one first can Mr. Tobinco.
Hey!
And no Susuno, not Aline, so Abajin, one Edon Kakraha. So, on introduce you the youth, no, Edon Ba, governance in Enema, or Demba, Nene Papano, ne old mates now no me 42 years, whom you know buffoon, and when start to say on bedding. Omuni Bayer elections, no. In the 2016, a buffo by Omukiemu say, Oma the Oma Weni, and the military. sa papa yi Clotaire de kana se ma be leader sese no obi se ne kaza nya ne kaza no Clotaire eye ogwe ho no free or bakateni no problem but Oma it say I dey say obi ni obi free offense to offense so and in kro mi no and this Clotaire now be president last time I catch him say monhwe overthrow coup d'etat no omo me coup d'etat no Clotaire we no na guard ne papa na kopim se ne papa ndu Republic Guard.
Oh.
Yes.
I see.
Guard the Republic Guard. In the presidency one, watna ho kopim se ne papa ni wuye. And ne papa ni wuye shortly within that time no, de ne ba ambassade du Gabon. Have attaché or a doctor or a medical record. And de ne ba Senegal. Until no na ye Gabonese ambassador to Senegal no, or na have attaché wo ho. Into dimba be president no. Eno sa kofa ne say if no to bia one atifi ahwe papa mani wi and sa na tie dia sa bra kofa ne sa ba eno so aba ye Republican Guard omu de no ene na ye friend special forces e wo gini mu ni adade no indi hwe say Mali special forces report any two president Burkina Faso Ponele Damiba only two and ye friend is Traore special forces only two president the guard president and Dumboya my good friend also need two me offer Alpha Conde also special forces Cheni okay Abdurrahman Cheni so no special forces for more than 20 years Niger and me the day na minimum interview am can say Gabon should be on the watch out no
yeah
and he said now the elections were getting closer Odimba had not been of himself for 5 years because of course Saudi Arabia poisoned her. It was not like he just got stroke. No, he was poisoned. And in the Chinese bodyguard, this was a genuine, this was a job catch. The live bodyguard, the Chinese in it, fita Chinese in here, change one on a year no bodyguard. And the time woman I dear no more a yinaseno, OPEC naseno, o daisy no. Auto form no enka assassins more or less nkompa ko on panyama newu and a Chinese ni torso who butu no so and rode ni nine so China for me deal no
yeah
and wo so ni nine and wo so ni nsa no mama Saudi wo mama police wo mama obi ama ho nti suspectedly no jempen mo na yes ade no nti nka omo arrange ye no nkomba finish no Saudi and quickly no China for insist say Omuma Saudi hospital and don't go out Saudi hospital no they didn't allow anybody to touch him and in a man deteriorate kakra because say ngom treating Saudi hona but no meaning say no jempen na Saudi go lose election na konta na any lose election oko bombo start so me dey no oko bombo party headquarters in the case of let's say NDC MPP headquarters okobu dani na guye so there was chaos and what che papa did to say wo na ma me president me papa woni ne ho mama nim papa ye presidency ni the government for 42 years in Iran me say me year reforms yemfa Gabon youth and o ma jempen ye dey o che no and o che man has arrest I want touch no anya me hwe and o ye den omu o ma sanity don be kunu into just 2016 and I'm den ba Ghana 2017 2018 and o ko ye ne sa de no what I say and now fan a fly no from your friend say Riyadh and I'll see straight away now down for Susune a Morocco king and into Morocco and didn't wa and my friend Ambassador Minko on an air the best friend the classmate on a confidant on an air in charge of Ghana Benin Togo Ambassador Minko and Minko no Osha me certificate me undertaking and craft from the country to be any business cooperation between Gabon and Israel. And Minko ne sign in the capacity of the President of the Republic of Ghana.
Wow.
And no change Minko from Togo. And Odi Minko kokotna. Morocco. Into Minko na asheno. Ebe pim sami. Into Akoma for over 3 months. Okay? Ne hoto no. Ne nite ye no. Now it was close to Gabon independence. And even Kwan was bedridden. And didn't toll. Your friend is saying, who came and flying in the Gabon airport and your man days at the flag is seen in him. That are none and nature. And no 1-2 minutes speech, sudden to flight in Sunapua. That is where my problem was like, look, Odima, you have a problem, you are sick. deal with your sickness. That time he was left with 5 years of his second term. And nipa, again is there any money that you do not have? Is there any pride that you have? Is there any happiness? O mama atomum wako yewamu watomum wajina stage so why a defense minister at the age of around 30, why a foreign minister, why a BBAB? Every money that you have. But Odimba's issue was the French woman, France for the man, Brunino, Najin say, oh man in the day. Yes, of course. Odimba would have given power. Of course. French is very dangerous. French is the most dangerous colony that you can ever see. Yes, Arafat, your friends in Nuku or poison Nukum Papa. So this woman was actually later no, was somehow seen as being involved with Odimba poisoning. Because when he was incapacitated, the French were taking control. Into Nigerian and Rane or Neneba Nuridin, who Pierre Gabon, Libreville, Edu, Libreville, who Pierre Ebedu Radisson Blue Hotel, who was a new Sajim Yakoko Kodaho. The next restaurant, the biggest restaurant, the Banidia, Akwana Kasemono, more or less, unconfirmed, were a gay activist. And why the top class restaurant, our Gabon ha, a Honesika for the menu na Omoko. In the Kaba, and a Papano fa young boy, na oye chief of staff, our Gabon. Also, so now boy in half cast young guy. Into only there of youth baby. Of a youth baby. And the chief of staff and Kwan no shin in the shake now Yareno. Omen a forging signature. And in a banu redeem. And a Gabon so French country like Togo, a Yadama, and your Minister of Finance na sign check. No, it is not true. Sasun Gwesu, your Minister of Finance na sign check. It is not true. Na Accountant General, no. In Cameroon, na Accountant General na sign check. No. The check is signed by the president himself. Wow. And when the president has signed a amount to be released, nothing called Accountant General or Auditor General. The money goes straight away. And to Odimba, Morocco, no Irenia no I presente the check. No the court one in the bano. Na the banana for 4 boys Susuji. And the young boy that no yet the same chief of staff no. And even the story was that I feel no or detain no. And to Odimba after 2 years now a tall no kakre bi no. And as our young boys send the one the government na omne kabano. So what you they were in jail.
Wow.
Obachi woman the one chinin in the bano. The one chin in the bano. Even myself at a point, many numbers, I mean, also only he speaks an American English. He's more like an American.
Yeah.
And the bano, yes. Yes. And the bano, catching the oil. But the person is sick, still battling with his life. And I'm saying, me, any ambassador, me could say, okay, President's Excellence, I didn't win your power anymore. And I'll see, that is not the way to leave it. And the same time, no, power not by any day. How do you fall sick and stay outside the country 5 years? Admittedly, last Congress, we answered on the election just last week. Onwaka said he is not been of himself for the past 5 years. And he understands, say, and Kofi be a forging signature, the Gabon. Name after the election, the security authorities, and no na Ogio Edijina Soa and Gama Edibe Kunu. Shenipa wa list say watch you the same people. And then ya they say watching no obey Ali Odimba Bibi. No, the boy will not touch him. Ne papa cry no. Obe jeli ni irena France for Baba Jeli irena ko ne bani nkosi hwo meja o mu na amomako. But other Gabonese wo me ka ho no. Wo no be hold wo sikani de yes of course. The omu yi omu FMP no de ni nyina no oge no onimi ngama ni ba bi esika
In fact, main chawa no, the chief of staff you talk about, we've seen in the video, just say bundles of amounts. Ewani demwa omakohwa.
French countries in Mpacho. French countries in is not only the chief of staff. French country in Amaka say president check a call accountant general, you need accountant general, or call the central bank who is can or the fee.
Oh, okay.
Who is can be 2 fee. Of course, now your friend is saying Bazoom, and echo as a 4 year and Kwasa Sebi. Bazoom, send no go far, 50 billion, and no go far the banner. Bazoom, the boss. Mr. Amadou Yusuf was having 127 billion CFA. Now, echo was per Ghana per 3 billion. When Yama, listen, she Nakona be dear Suswe. Ofu ewu ye kona be dis ka osisa ko si ni fie Laurent Gbagbo ska osisa la san watare bit me hu ska ode akwese French phone nyina aka cha what I say ento mu na wie sika no na wie sika no but me odimba problem ni say ukti hu che mu na wuni ahodin na say bibi say na so one thing that comes to mind some of us there are things like you can't put it on air share a fire Acquire a UFA, so your friends may catch him say Ayuku was staged. Ayuku detailed Mali, now Guinea Conakry, Dumbuya, and then of Alpha Condeno. It was staged because Alpha Condeno at the same elections or track or third term now, so you're for any Briano, and I know for soon say no. So you're for the Papa na be brutal, and no day was staged. Now, what we do not know is a clote. How on so on talk it tough, once on Pekasa, he's a quiet guy.
Okay.
Or making any basa speeches be and our ma quite military be a comfort to Gabon. If you're on the streets of Gabon,
they are celebrating.
No videos, live videos. Our tonsa crowd no Papa, Gabonese ni bien you have me send your pictures in me. Gabonese ni bien no diga, so our supermarket. Only the first country in West Africa and Central Africa who a shopping mall. Maybe ni so any African baby, West African nekoa. On a first shopping mall. Gabonese who shopping mall no kudija. No ababe jina gate. Na wababe jina gate. O jina gate wa. Na Ghana ni ana Nigeria ni. No akwakoji. Na de akotandi kema na swako. Ghana phone ko promfie. Ghana phone ko paper ni dem. Ghana phone ko kitchen. Gabonese ndi dia oja plate to ho. Ejuma Ghana ni ye. When I know the family for long. I was a young boy, small boy. When I kotoko, Munkubiza Kumanza Asante kotoko. Say no money, Libreville. Shell Gabon, our match, Shell 105. Kodo of Odru, Obogun Timu, a time. Odabino Yopokun Tam. That was in the 1988. Kodo of Obaho. Omenu and Omdibae, who are pressed.
Okay, for medical culture Omar Farouk Al-Wahab ewo United States of America and the Kasa. Now it's been a wonderful eye-opening discussion. I mean to me Mr. Question cry because virtually he's reading the entire Gabon story, like say all kind history book. And it's been a fantastic discussion. What would you hear? Very exclusive discussion with Omar Farouk Al-Wahab. I Edin Komo from United States of America all my in details with Gabon and all the story. And Osha video Osha on Facebook page Ali Bongo S Rese Manfonye de man.
I'm Ali Bongo Onjimba, President of Gabon. And I'm to send a message to all the friends that we have all over the world to tell them to make noise. For the people here have arrested me and my family. My son is somewhere, my wife is in another place, and I'm at the residence. Right now, I'm in the residence and nothing happening. Nothing is happening. I don't know what's going on. So I'm calling you to make the noise, to make noise. Somewhere.
Okay, so for young come back on the line now, you try to get Alhaji Senior Farouk Al-Wahab. So not these you are almost about ending that discussion. But when in the video are all patch out say the citizens should make noise. That type of noise.
Yeah, of course. I mean, say there more or less, I ekura say wo de ayichina wo de trap chi no mu ya
o yedede
obey nti because say ayi clote ngema no anka nche say ofa me ba betu what they say and in the week now said the elections in isi call no in fact he badly lost the election. Admittedly, he badly lost the election because Gabon there and this is Ghana. No, I'm sorry, Yomnyama Kakrebia, Nanya bad. Foreigners, Ghana as a country, 6 years of independent noise. No, Ghanaian outside. Ada Yabema Kwamo Matuabano, MPP and NDC, they are doomed. There cannot be any winner there. And the Ghana cleverly, no, President Kofi proposal, you know, Atamis proposal, you know, up to no Mama Gabon, students, foreigners living outside, they also vote. Okay. And the incident, I could see Morocco, Gabonese, but yes, almost two at the court. Cote d'Ivoire was almost two abontent the court. Almost two the court. And they see a big woman, almost students, they are the problem when you Gabonese students are a what may madam for no catchment and answer any jurisdiction, a Morocco. Only the problem nearby, I say, Omco to Abano. Gabonese law stand say Utu Abevia, next year close post now. Mutimi gyina hɔ supervise counting Gabon law odimba we na de be shame nti political reforms on na de bae first ni one papa nta moto election wi akoda ade a chance obedanya ne abobo elections no say e be kan si enka ni enkai nti no declare but we need there on the law bae say transparency mom enkai no obi anhwe bi in this law no na Morocco the students no kwhwa o mantiase a Morocco army ko bu wo mu 3 days today no omko bru omo Gabon Morocco serious Casablanca and when there's packet the noise and also the lead ya or the cotton internet in which was a bad taste.
Yeah,
you understand? Yeah. Morocco students know Gabon because Mamika stories to be in shop. Time I'll back room hano. I make us students in your margin some demonstrate Accra. I'm talking to Accra. Mr. Sergi, enemy no ya de no echo campus kinu say students na kwa kuguo no ene diverting no call location bi your friends say Japan embassy akire ho come to us students ne ti on buy no ya de ni do ho no me ene ne Chinese ni no ene ambassador Minko so say je wo ho beton de no ocho ho onye Gabonese official to not take any ene ya de ni wura the private apartment ho be ana obe change no ho ena wa wonim say president room to kwan say gobo akwadun so kakra na akwadun so no sa no we were in the living room owie no ena students na timate say ye de na ba ho ena o mo rush here because ne be the motor di convoy na chi from airport ena o mo rush ba ho o mba ye no ena o si me nkonkohwe say what is written out there me kwa ne say say election because no free in election and the ba na 2016 or when we now so in problem ba ni na kontana and the ba Ghana den to ma check say fraudulent election o mu family no mu call the same nyama na o mu kikan sentiments na bia and also students say o mu gu ha o mu stipendium that is home scholarship ma and Gabonese students are no more Ghana ni to go no bia no he was paying do mu tua entina that time no say na Minister of Education no mfama abra no no wanya aware and then I'm so say they are starving tuition no say how and the demo I was there and a friend Minister of Education and Obusa Scholarship Secretariat said how many students now Ghana and I can say 800 and also the last time of this come I'm see this man called them on I see the students are play cards here say come this is what I'm reading here and on my Chinese video no trap picture on anybody be guard back on office be trap picture so when we're in the room no and we're in the back if you ambassador Minko be president dear do scanning came but me wa maybe yeah and we
wow
wa mami bi sefa wom French sefa euros bi bia and obi say me say currency ben na yi na so ha de say dollar na na value and odim bana because Central African Republic dollar sefa no ye Ghana o mun sesan biasa and obi enu yi pes 1 pes 2 pes 3 about 30,000 40,000 students kukwa play card na o mo bi ya no ne adade say ne papa yi no so abeto aso ne de adade no so students come do omo papa ye pia bonten no ena ye bo student bia $500 baby asma making hotel na baby adin ko dan officials nyina gina na fo nyina gya no mo hwe enti baba ye to $500 the my student and play card na mwiem no wato atwene
dey your fruit jan wo men
wato atwene no come ayo c'est toi qui es le président c'est le Dieu qui te blessé nyankopon ne bi hira ne president papa and the students ni nyina o mu yedede nyina no me handful ababe 23 or 25. No, maybe egu so ba more na omuji on $500 will be out to play cash. And he was very angry. Sir, this is what is going on. And catch Ambassador Minko said, on say Togo, any Benin jurisdiction, the Ambassador Minko Tria. Name of the one and so Tria can, Omjis Canon, Omiaden, Amfa Army students, and across board. And ya koja no nana after the independence square quarters here within commercial nana po then ko airport na papa no ko. And ideally where I had a fault and I knew something was going to happen was the fact say Odimba shouldn't have even gone into the contest of the elections. He should have thrown in the towel. But the ban was the French insistence he should not give power. That is the deal. He should not give power. Odimba had always 5 years in papa. Well, cry your friend is a walking stick.
Yes, stroking.
Yamin the pediano. Winning the figure before. Odimba was a big, huge size.
Yeah.
He had turned an old man. He's a fine gentleman, a bluffing guy. But the was the problem. That's why the can be 2 years in it.
Oh, and so that's why.
Oh, of course, so bit me Jan French for bit my manager. And this animal, Oma force on a man be election. Odimba wouldn't have, Ali wouldn't have, but the French would not allow him to. So the French promised him say they will protect and make sure say election he goes into the election. Now all we need here, non prepare farmer Nuridin, any bano, send money for on farmer Nuridin. Intino Obeye Nuridin, the coordinator of the presidential affairs, into more or less he gives him the powers of the president and an Iranian first lady. So the country was run by the coordinator of presidential affairs, any first lady, and yet Odimba Lankasa. Election so be of election. About 2 months normally election. Which to me I said, say, you don't let even the French fool you if even they are using the Wi-Fi. You should throw in the towel, rest and take care of your life. After all, and then you can't come back to life and be stronger like you were before. It's too late.
Maybe so way to wrap up the discussion. French, we had the Ecosia. Are they losing it? That part of Central Africa,
they don't get it. They still don't get it. They still don't get it. Countries are why lucky. Togo. Because Togo so another sebi Jimmy our opponents, position, but to some extent, and you is the system that has made them system my cowards into creative and a military no 45 government, one of them Sasu Denis Nguesso Denis Nguesso and in the bad girl Adia and the bad girl aye our Congo Brazzaville or that ho on only the Sasu Nguesso no also only inviting a cra we inviting the Gabon Omba and the France Republic now work on French Republic in the Afrique Central. France for you no wama obiani te say Ghana te di tim Togo. When him say Gabonese won timi nko Cameroon without visa. Abrom here one border Central Africa. Cameroon timi nko Afrique Central. Bongi won timi wa ho Gabonese timi wa bongi without visa. Guinea Equatorial also the same thing. French for Spanish for we are Gabonese, Omuka family no, FFI no. They need visa to the whole Central African Republic. Ura Burundi obeje visa. Ura habeje visa to find the reasons why. Okoho. Oye no sa amount to the 17 kilometers. So we free one region now another region now enter 17 kilometers. Ese usi form. Now do identity card check. Now you busa police for busa janda busa okoye den. When your reason I was go back to the village. Till today as we speak in 2023. As we speak 2023. I know that the Cameroon for the Ambazonia for no. I've been part of the Cameroonian struggle of the Ambazonian independence no. Aboya Kumba Bafusam Southwest no. Sa Ambazonia for no. The same stupid ECOWAS without reservation. More Ambazonia for no. She said the Pobiasia Kum English for no. Well, Kumoma for the past 5 years, Ambazonia regime almost started say almost self-determination. Well, Kumoma be permanent. Obian because outside in Nigeria, a part of Akwa Ibom state, any Calabar belt, Montino Koka Wasem. English for Momo colonizer Muja Honor de Ma France for no. Muma Kumuko for Moma Ba ECOWAS Abe presentation say ye part of ECOWAS. enti se mo ayen na mo ni opo bia nka na mo de if not anything ye ni produce Cameroon aduane ye ni produce oil bibia ye ni ye and mon kate hold no you are more under the UN Charter Vienna Convention ye even 200,000 grom timito these Amazonians they are more than 6 and the kumba boya sase ho nyina de bapem bakasi peninsula ne ya friend is enyenga ho ni nyina ye English for no omobo more than 6 million enti adentin na ye what country at Gabon ye 1.2 million Bongi ye 1.3 million Congo Brazzaville yes na population of 6 million no muntimi ma independence because Pobia is using them and one person won't be free because I want to Cameroon Menisika. So the problem is that this region no French foreign students no and krana woman di country ni ja wo mu emo di 60 years no jempen mo ni ade no show bi to say Gabon the oni Odimba. How can somebody like Odonsa had been a minister through a papa 42 years and this man over contest near didn't talk about no. And what new was he bringing? Into Odimba said, Samimi nye good are fine, but more money papa call 42 years no. Munya was compromised. And he said, Samimi nye me young man me dia. Again, I'm so ba Jempen we papa minister of oil for more than 38 years. Papa ni said 2 years ago I'm a Chinese African Union muntie story we African Union my Chinese national ebe African chair obey African chair time na president Kofi also mumusa say African chair Jinping how can they make an African chair Jinping Chinese or never contest you know I don't call president Edi Gabon. Look at the dynamics of the African region. Look at the dynamics of the French African. BBC Ama won't take the French foreign story as it. And they should be looking for more say. Omo generation afidi. Oma bongo generation afidi. The same thing like Pobia. Look, me anything that I say, I give you reference. His Excellency, the Speaker of Parliament of the Republic of Ghana, Nsumani Abambagwin. Musa ne say. And he na me call 2019 but then call Swiss Ekoji award man as the longest serving your friend is in parliamentary. He was then the majority leader.
Yeah.
Okay. Me then call son inside then call the president of your friend Zain Croatia and Serbia Montenegro. I delivered 30-minute speech our Continental Hotel. Paul Biya, the president of Cameroon, what a Continental Hotel in Swiss. UN General Assembly, for the World Office of the UN opposite. I want to Pobiati or Rani Cameroon. Idra no pa, na French police, French army, gendarme, Omufi Lyon, the border of France with Switzerland, no, we were Geneva, no mabefa Pobia, wakwa any medical attention, wakwa chako bubu more. This is what the man has been doing. The cabinet meeting, the fly ministers in BC Paris, na basi do maba from Lyon, no maba be Oma baby meeting, no magic cabinet instructions, no moko. Well, rulu Cameroon from Switzerland the last 7 years now. What is Switzerland? African Union here.
Senior Farouk, I think that I don't pay my end now as senior from community. Maybe Kraho. Na I all the way from US, Ghana Hondo, and this education, we can't get it from anybody. I just say wow. I am more than grateful. Every problem will be do Ghana, so I bet transfer studio. That's a power. Thank you. For higher Akoma 87.9 FM. And this is what we do, and this is what we know how to do best. A very, very, very interesting analysis. It may be a phone line, so now it's for them and check. And Panda and translate. Now, JB, I am very sad.
Papa, we were home. It's an anchor. Your man, your president of Ghana.
No, it's not foreign affairs minister.
Could be beyond foreign affairs ministry.
No, I beyond.
No, come corrupt. No, it's naka onya an independent mind. This man is an asset to our country.
Hey.
He is a serious asset to Ghana. Kofi.
No,
is he?
He understands what he was saying.
Kofi, and then I made a case as same way. Only say anytime I friend Biano, would say the genesis of Nkomona from beginning to end. It appears that as a book be already from the as a when the name say screen and all can kind of Akoma. He is always on point. Always on point. Or Kasam now so be Kasam na say or in truck
you feel it.
Yeah, but this man he will touch everything.
Oh, I just say ono kwa na oye na advisor. Ali Omar Bongo. Ali Bongo. Odimba. What the
almost the chief of staff.
I need Sika. Okoja my Sika.
The chief of staff of Fieni. Ano mo kwa nim pass. Na Sika no lodu agu ho no mo sa. Lodu agu ho sa. Hwe. Open ade ni bi o.
Kebi.
The chief of staff.
I we dey bro open ade no. Sika je demo nyina fo. Ba wonim se Ghana ye ba BBC na company for no bebre.
Kofi ya bibi se na ene ya Kofi ene ya. So just say nya wadwe say.
Omo rasake.
Omo kwasachi ene minister bia of their choice. Brade Yakupon.
Ebenya we bebre.
Obenya bebre.
Ebenya we bebre.
Omo she da nko, omo mo nko minister bia of their choice. Omo she da nko de dem so mo kwakosra. No mu do omo man house arrest. No mo search ne hwe.
Omo nko party executives kra ho.
Hey. But Omar Al-Farouk, I think that this man should consider his decision to become a politician in Ghana.
But say he being a historian.
No, Kofi. No, somebody with this kind of rich experience. There is no way I'll be floppy. He is heavily connected.
But Wabimum.
Kofi, apart from say Wabino, are you connected? So nothing can influence his decisions and thoughts. Kofi, so okay, the West or you should bet my ECOWAS. He doesn't give a damn about them because he knows them inside out.
Yeah,
Kofi Anobecheska. Mr. Wo, Senra na afidie no enim wayenti Kofi se no bechiska star 439 hash star 439 hash. No was let's option number 6. Number 6 Akoma FM. O dali on beto 5 Ghana cedis be pe. Fabeji 200 Ghana cedis and more. Mr. Wa eneya Kofi ba bechiska beche ko for be mi sika star 439 hash. Option number 6. You beto 5 Ghana cedis pe. Mr. Bomodia so be kwakoto be to be ene wo hu adanse akofo di ene Thursday yakeka kwakohwefo birthday no ntimisire wa bomodia so do be di hu ni na bibia so akoye e dia ma na make a formal say nyame ya doma October 7th, the biggest ever marathon ever be hit Kumasi and Ashanti region. This will be the second edition. Akoma FM organizing the marathon race no na ebeye de beye butu. In fact, wa unya entompabwa no tompabwa to hono enu training case no bibia na Ashanti Akoma FM Ashanti marathon no ebaso on the 7th of October 2023. Mr. Wabra Akoma FM na bejo form na Philly free of charge ye nyo kaprekra na beka ya last year ye charge de ye chese ye chenyema chesika chenyema sa oh ema ne ye fe pa ye chenyema pa ye chenyema pa eni sika hodo obi odi 30 kra nya bi ntimesra wa free of charge. It is opese onya form ni bi form ni ye ton but opese onya form ni bi a 0246 766060 0246 606060 and also say bia say opeso oso yasene because Akoma FM there oba onua TV ni TV3 ni ye bo nyama ho dawro across all our networks TV3 onua TV3news.com ni ye bo nyama no so dawro e dia maw tu peso oso yasene e was adwumade we mu a fresa number we 0246 766060 0246 766060 na Danny Heba se men kan cho se odi edron waso e de badwa manso akofo no pa eye adwuma pa so yi na ebu akofo mo mutumi gina mo na so yi pa ya remedy se malaria de Mr. Uhia Danny Heba mixture betu malaria na se fever no typhoid betu ase ene general body weaknesses ni pains na etu ase kra edima Danny Heba mixture esusu ebua ema esebin producer ye ma no mo a bosumi so ane ye de omo ye calendar ebeboa etu ase ama so wanya appetite de didi ama bosumi akoniaba ne yaw ni na ebefiri ho no mo na yesaso ewo Danny natural herbal capsules Allah wallahi Danny natural herbal capsules ebo sisi yade ema bema utumi gina onaso bema utumi gina onaso bema utumi gina onaso bema utumi gina onaso star bi eno eye Danny herbal natural herbal capsules na yewo Danny herbal ointment so ho no mo a eboa Emma relieve the body from weaknesses and ya will be a one nipadua mu bia honam sheda sisisu ya Danny Herbal Ultimate na Danny Prostar O capsules ebe boa mema no mo prostrate no etumi to ase kra e de amount make out say obi a oba ya pemfo entumi numbi oba omakra no fo entumi numbi akra onya ndi fie enkono enya entumi susu enumbi opedo to Akomisi Herbal Fedimen Herbal Samenko Herbal Apidank Herbal Adum Herbal ewo Santase number be freso 0244 364651 0244 364651 na me kanfo e de amount e na no pay say open super papa no one but money answer obenya Z natural mineral water anom Z natural mineral water bibini black man e de abadwama so 100% fortified and of course a fat true in ndro ahodo e ndro ahodo de gum apart from amana ye tu achese nsuo no e natural no e very organic no Food and Drugs Authority for Ajatum. I'm making sure say bibia wo so num bia eye kroje eye papa ema ACP esita. It be so bomodi answer obeko obibini black man hono mu anabe fresh number we 0244620294 0244620294 and 0208183018 02081830 na what me enya bibini black man so ni bi ato no wanom na beboa ye pa Provident Healthcare say free nyame adumo china September 1st ede kwa akopem 31st September oye free screening e wasawase opposite St. Teresa Catholic Church Misro akwanya aba kokohwe ni paduanim free na ndura hodo bi wo hodom na se ebehia so beto a ni ato ne fofofo ede ama na so wotumi enya wapomudin ye pa Misro St. Teresa Catholic Church e wasawase honomo na Providence Healthcare ewo udu on machines on waso pa machines kama pa machines a CPC touch as hwehwe ni paduanim ehu ba bia yare hye bia ebeboa wo na so watumi ehunu ba bia ene yare a eha wadwen na mo de ndro waso de aba esa yare bi ti sebe obi a na dwen mu mre kakra ana so obi a bibi kakra bia na ne refi na asefo nyina obeboa saso ene obi a ne spinal cord ne sisi ene ne kon ne ya obeboa obi a wanya asthma obi a seven producer ontimi wo sexual infections any STIs ahodo ne infertility ni na no Providence Healthcare seven catch so owo ho drupa wo tatahwe pa no saso wo prostate cancer wo ho malaria typhoid hepatitis B enes honamani yare bia woni na ebi wo ho no mo wasem nka se owo branch ni bi ewa agogo saso so owo branch ni bi ewa konongo agogo station no bon I been the Ghana Commercial Bank saso ena bogoso owo opposite the Krobo Fitting Shop ehonomo ena owo oni omo ni komo sisi abo 97 oni omo ni komo 0248 422864 0248 422864 and 020506 830210 0506 830210 Empower se men kan cho se blocks papa fie ehonomo ena se ye kwakoto blocks e de si ye dan ye pe blocks e de pavement blocks ye pe tiles blocks ye pe road cave ye pe blocks ahodo ni na bi se ye hollow block 5 inches 6 inches se ye blocks bia ope bia Mr. Wa this is the time, this is the moment. It's so called Empower Honomo. No saso ewo roofing sheets ahodo I no so obehwe wo dan size obekwa kokususu the amount na oso watumi enya oso ne wo de kama pa ni na eye papa in fact has been tried and tested ema Ghana how bia ginatum eni je sema wo mni se beto sa ne ma we na say ye blocks so say ye cement say ye iron sheet and say roofing sheet ni na no odiguka mu ekokoja free outside Kumasi de kakra bi eno beje de aka ho the number be so 0271 144 444 0271 144 444 and 0208 3964 24 0208 3964 24 eno eye empower for aso ye no se men kan say emre na nya so beba na so ye na cement blocks ahodo ni na wajibi na watumi ede akwakodi ujuma na bibia so atumi akoyie ede amount na wasi wo dan na wie no the home of quality and of course original wallpapers Alaska Star Enterprise the home of quality original wallpaper center wasi wo fie na wie na paint papa bi ede adu ujuma no okọ Alaska Star Enterprise obetumi aboa na wanya wallpapers ahodo ni na bi obenya blank curtains ho obenya original curtains ho TV strip lights ho epoxy chemicals ni na bi Alaska Star Enterprise so waterproof chemicals enso bi ohoro mo ena betumi enya stickers ahodo esoso ewo ho na se me kan cho se owadum ha ya adum kumase adum ewo Mrs. Anoche Plaza ben Prudential Plaza hodo ewo adum ya na open makoma to betumi aba na so ye open do soup atu a obetumi aba na so ye friend no na ni nkobo ewo 0554 114878 0554 114878 and 0268419596. The home of quality original wallpaper center, Alaska Star Enterprise. Make a farmers a weekend eba a year bekoso, adore bekoso, wedding bekoso, engagement bekoso. Any programs are who be brave, ube bre, wabawa kwa jiwa home. Na o koso so dia bobonia so obeko the Royal Place, the La Quinta Lodge, udru ono mo a omobo no efo pa memo breakfast in bed mini bar eso ho bibia peso ye bia so boase bi tesa be twa so den yo obenya sa papa anu mo ho na ni je se me wo mu so du ono mo a ne bie wifi ne de ama me crack am for rade obe browse sa o san so e wo swimming pool kama pa ho no mo emusu so ye spacious obetumi the baby girls ne bia ko na mo akwadware a agimoni a kama na bibia so atumi akoyi owo environment ho no so te se ne ye hwe no TV so ho no efe pa ho no so pa etibomodi aso be call La Quinta Lodge e wo kokoso I ben White House no mo ebo no so eda fom ye pa very very cool serene environment, a very cool and serene atmosphere. Me say onya call La Quinta Lodge me so bomodi aso be call hono omo single room omo be double rooms e hono mo omo types BB omo sanso agimomo timisro from e was 0533 844 244 0533 844 244 and a 0531 259 741 0531 259 741 eno eye La Quinta Lodge Kofi uwiana why cash out na bibia so
cash out therefore mamen kai was a star 43
yes 9 number 6
na okoja ma be ma video of my question transfer Paul, is it Odimba or ministers at a parade now in Seguno? Anyway, I think your time to continue. Let's set the ball rolling. Safin why part of the discussion higher Akoma 87.9 FM. No one is so bad. More Facebook page in one of the just any ministers. I think the China in you can watch it here. President pa just and inside na and I done hona otogusu Radio Africa and still with the idea or that's it with the idea but you share the video, you like the page, but unya end to cash out now a star 439 hash and the matches can be brain to bobody and because of what you at saying watch you more than 2 years so me who watch it anyway is a what yeah we keep me who
yes sir
so where
chief me who
e da nyame ase
enena enra betina sia me kwa koda na abobetu
usua de
enya abati propaganda oba be pa na de
usua de bi
eh e de bi
Uya upija na. Emranti ukrumo. Sanye nkwani ediemia. Anyway, Maminya will take on the friend is saying the first each topic Gabon ya. Minim sibi abo bana wo monitor.
Yeah.
Nkoma yedia. Your take on that, Nafi. Yanko issues.
Well, Kofi. Mamenja ona menja tifo. Na be face na kasi enso ko na isia hemfie na isia opem so Kofi ade na de Gabon na asem no wo ka na asen agyae ababehwe na me ewiase no se abusua ba ko mo pese mu di edomonim mfie mo pese mu di domonim a mfie aduosia achi se mo bibia mbutumi ahia ma abusua na minimisenka womo atumi aye na bio nso adwen so ni ba ko fotrim ena yete hay inimise Gabon enye a monarch what I say I'm not saying say I support the coup,
okay,
but there's a thin line between what was going on in Gabon and how to reform and restructure their country to make it participatory enough. I do any back of footimo, any back of foot. Now we share or penny or papa be remu. We also I want no cry.
Any horses here, I am.
It is unconscionable. Say, oh, Becca say, wait, I don't see it as a coup. I see it as a popular uprising.
Okay.
Against say unconstitutional monarchy beyond person established on the people of.
But we say historian, yeah. It's the making of the French.
Yeah. You see, one woman make us
they are remoting entirely everything.
Yeah, a month ago. Now me share Ghana, right? Yen economic challenges. Yen a time where I say Bank of Ghana a support to government we say finances through bond swapping and bond buying, and which of course ended up say a friend money printing. And a time with our inflations, our budget deficit, our all these economic indicators, interest rate, may they compare the francophone countries in more Africa. We are dramatically. ABA high budget deficit. ABA who say operating on a trajectory of high inflation. Yen interest rate ekosro, the monetary policy rate ekosro. The francophone countries in almost the direct opposite, very low. They don't operate high budget deficit. They don't have high debt to GDP. Their interest rate relatively is low. But when you are looking for the poverty aspect, the total population who falls under the poverty line, all these francophone countries, Ghana, right? About poverty, was Ghana. And when it comes to inclusive policies, just to help say alleviate the struggles of those who are under the line of poverty now. Ghana is far ahead of these South francophone countries now, or more very nice economic indicators. All because say France will tell you keep high reserves at central bank.
A good or bad for Africa?
For me, no. As for France and what is happening in France colonies, right? Our biggest problem are Africa, even West Africa, cry echo into me, Masono, France. Because immediately, francophone countries among Africa, no, Ebejatum say, establishing it means all their reserves need to be repatriated to the central bank of ECOWAS. And say even 5 francophone countries, some Africa, I imagine some every France central banker, France economy is going to collapse.
I see.
Oh, but we've gone through our own challenges. Yeah, dear.
Yeah, Ghana.
They should prepare to go through what we went through.
I see.
Because Uber British embassy and Crawford Salai or Copevis are crime famano. But Momo the end also bag so I will go. Oh, sir, into Crawford, the DB Dadamo. Oh, Cronian Nadia. Mumra, oh, Ufri Maliabra, Ufri Senegabra, Ufri Abra, Ufri Abra. At the other side, and all that out. But we use our natural resources, so much actually in Ako. Anything, media, it is better say Nipa. Wow, be due also. Irrespective of your challenges or your mistakes.
Better.
Ghana, we have not had everything rosy. We have had our own challenges. But I think from 1992, we accepted our own weaknesses. When we say 1992, elections are called registration. Yeah, the 1988 was 89 district assembly elections are you got to register in the but as at now, Ghana is moving forward.
Okay.
And for me, maybe I mean some francophone countries in India or more, but with the exception of Niger,
Okay.
Niger case, a bit different. Oh, say, Muhammad Jatum say, Ebia, the previous regime, no, Nanya Papa. You have elected a new president. Just 2 years. I don't think, say, within that 2 years, all the problems are moving, challenges, and the person will be able to sort you out. Okay. But for the fact that, say, France still control Omodiano, for me, they should do referendum. Now, Crawford, somebody, military, somebody. I say, Shishan was it, 3 years. 3 years in the body, and the so, they say, why you France free or Aduanaba in China? These people will plunder your natural resources.
Okay.
So, until we learn to depend on our own, right? Now, canon. Akraba kono no Cote d'Ivoire no. O hwe na asem kai. Papa na ono so titogo no. On kana asem ye. Cameroon pobia. On kana asem ye. Na miami wo fa Kagame. Why are there 24 years? Adwene ni ba ko fotrimo, you are doing excellently well. But you have to leave when the applause is high. Wa hwe ya Kagame beduru ba bi no. Right now, we are all hailing him. So he is the best. But baby, our year on certain state institutions, you should leave the scene, go and monitor. Because Lee Kuan Yew, at a point after 30 years, he left.
You have to go.
A minister for, I think, mentoring and development. Mahati, Malaysia. Malaysia, after 24 years, he left. Almost out to Abama Sama Baby 8 years. So, media, we should learn how to Ghana in 888. Try a Madia Barcelona, I think. Etimsa. So, media Gabon, Semuano. And who's only the fourth largest producer of oil in Africa?
Of course.
We, I think, Nigeria, Libya, Algeria. I want to talk. As you look at
Koji. We take on Gabon.
Utie Inuanom, America and Chair on Chair T4. Yeah. I would say just because MPP for Nawaba and Muntino. Omoya analysis for the Economy, normally Baby Trase Kuditanya, just because Omusu.
Basenye.
Kuditanya in principle, but Kudita is want him condemn it.
Okay.
Kudita in principle, and yet. But could the tell you why you can't condemn it?
Me come and say, man, can I say?
They make what you say.
Or can I say?
Entino, could it tell see Gabon? Ye see Gabon, Obieu. Yekumobi.
As a French country is no cool,
Niger, dear, ye can say, and then yet, and at the end, Diana, Russia, the Wagner near Yimunina Bami, Kofi Obi. Adia ekoso a wo say mene wo babunu ti se wa se nyame tu ye nkwana ma ye wo mre kakra wo yanim no a se nyina ye kam say the current leadership wo West African sub-region ha any some parts of Central Africa no enkoye na nipa so ani tia na ete ade tia ade sen na nipa ni bie people are becoming more conscious. But for the fact that we are MPP, me not say yeah discussions here. You off air, you condemn some of the things your government have done. Minim say what must here. Ye nyina yete ya no. E normal P whether MPP, NDC or my ya. Even though we are members of the party, but you feel say omo ye no kwan foforo so anka ebe den. Ebe boa. And na Ghana ye situation na Kofi ye wom no. Eno na ye hwehwe. The way amanfo wie sika gu omo dem a ye hu no. Eno na ye hwehwe. Ghana no na I say yen so kudita so titan bia ye feel say wo de ateside o se bokoboko obeden obedu 8 years ne beba na nka de ekoso yi how different is the situation wo Ghana ye sisika ni ho na nado na ade atum se mu ayedin ama se we throw in tower no say Mahama ba no aba be fix ama se no ye nyina etu ani da so obi ani wo kopem say na nado time be so emu ayedin awu Kofi untimi kura ntọ petrol ngu ka mu no yakọ hu $1 million will be them, over 300,000 euros will be them, millions of other Ghana cedis will be them, and the presidential staffers wo suma wa some party we wo de bia me do example and the presidential staffer over $100,000. Oh,
man, making a comment.
Over $100,000. Ne akwa ko hu woni de meboa. We mu nyina facts. Enti me pese wo ti ase se no ma occasion kudita ewo enkronkro na ye nyina ye di hu abobo wa ha no. Ebi wo wa anya too deep seated se de ye hu wa ba.
Na chief of staff for Gabon. Hesike gudi dem.
What you say?
I mean, what do you want?
What you say?
I mean, it's so serious.
Just
check it.
French speaking countries, no. I think it is time we start to research about that.
Fine, they keep money in their house.
One more chief of staff, no, our president, no.
Bottom line is say, Sika win na Sika papa nke wo bank. No, you see, obi ye leadership be ya de no. Enter say papa. When there was Sika papa di begum pass. Kofi, who make it legitimate money? Who di begum pass? And this Obeka say a French speaking country almost that's almost an chrono. Almost an say to Abamo baby or mine. At the expense of Timamufu no more. That is the situation. You see, Sadia we are of course who say Enyamwi. Cameroon ni Cote d'Ivoire money Togo Munina Bejo Modi a time. Because I will share French colonial pact now among francophone countries no assigning now. Any concept babru bia betina ebe yet say or diplomatic about what is going on. And I am they say papaya na only ye interview from America. Now all call it ECOWAS as stupid. Obe call it ECOWAS as stupid because during the time yen yanmo mo ye French colonies suffer bebrebe because of pact o makwa sign. Anam ECOWAS kra mo na wosen ka mo ne France wo sin konwa se kwan amode ye nuanom nam so no nya kwa papa montimi antu hu anam nene if they are embarking on a path of liberation me the cause the liberation movement then Nana Akufo-Addo ti say ECOWAS yen ko restore Niger president no ye committee troops on for invincible force won nko Uncle for Kandahar boys no the tax now ma mercenaries be training no for no Ghanaian soldier will go. What am I say? I don't know say nipa ni bia bufuo no. Sesen. You see, Kofi, o chef French colonial pact ya countries we mo asensan ya. Kofi Asante. Na yeti ho omaya yetim. Yeti oh.
Okay, my means you.
Yeti ho omaya yetim French colonies Kofi amukoton omo japade wa amanone a na umpo de ese de o kase o musika o musika senkenye ya wakoton wa japade no yes first sika no beto France Paris yes central bank wo de akoto oni ama mu 15% pe 15% no anso na wo pe 85% na da wonu mu bi dia ya ade a Kofi yes eno no ye de bo besia. What you say? Tina na me person obeka say ayo usika. Omo di omusika. Nyese yade. Ade na yade nyese yo usika biu. Say yo usika de anka betimi aka say. Ene am aka kai. Menim so what you say? Ya diska no. Aha, sa na de na enti. Ya ma 15 na enti I say.
Is Cote d'Ivoire parliament normal rent ama wo mu.
Ai. Wow. Enti no Kofi wo da me ba. Enti no ti o I say. French colonies ni say me share omo business terms na I say. Omo ye adwuma on commission ma France. Ai. Enti mu ma bla ko to ade. Ni ama mu commission.
Ade of the BT of say. Oh, so ma dada omo. Oh, utumi ba France free. Who say
imagine say they all can
say Gabon. Who kwa who be brands and
imagine say Gabon. Because a port will create.
What the dada?
Port will see our president. You can't fix it. Call the Gabon, France.
All major contracts and say you all major contracts within French colonies. Echo France.
Kwa kutie say we call what Gabon. Now you call her. Just a co change over. France Paris. Enti wo te Cote d'Ivoire na wo ye caller. There be international call na wo you. Wo ye caller call nipa wo kuro mu no. International call na wo ye.
Okay.
What am I say? Enti situation ya de o mu na mu. I was think ECOWAS na African Union. Kura ni France and the kokuntokwa. E man ye nuanu ni o mu fa.
Were they ready?
So civilian governments o ma ba successively na wa wo betra bia ye ntu a na yakun. And utie historian ya all chere kwan e fa so e poison president ya a poison yes when you stroke poison a render into that state
incapacitated.
Yes,
Ali Bongo.
What must
he was poisoned.
And the military not transfer who say Oko to aba yi ese no so wo pepa no kra so obe ya on be fa kwan bia so amana ye on popular ne apam no ana ye be pe kwan bi so poison ne aku no enti sa de a ye de ade no ya anka se be ya ade no e na start ye nyina ya hu ni de ade no wanya kokoduro apam France for ne America for them free me krom anko and was solicited for the support of Russia, and I have never seen Russian ally bia or then one about Russia the situation I worse off than said the net here. Meaning what you say? Ukraine, Russia made Ukraine until say I betray Russia for and say no. Look at Ukraine corona.
Under the idea.
And America so China. Look at that. One so more oppressed.
Belarus, nominee.
Omukran and Masika, what Chroma Jessica, Britain for the May. And no problem the whole condition. Say one the LGBT and to more young farmer. But Russia bet me at billions of dollars the amount for free. Meaning Kofi what must say so me who say Adiana air course no a liberation movement Kofi and Senfon say Russia to France to we or no can talk because of interest what you say or no can talk about troops from French colonies in the akwa for near kunkumomo na ono ne Paris standing na mina mu de na say enu gina ho nti omo nkon tokwa ne biu ti France ne pesi ono ni interest na wakọ kan tokwa obeba be for troops from Niger from Burkina no do makọ tokwa na ma omawu je so omo do omo nya nipa do omawu imagine say yeti hey yesinka Elimina Castle yetua ho rent Kolebu yetua ho rent 37 mu yetua
Osu Castle
does it make sense? Does it make sense? But what problem or nya ya ni so buy or beka say parliament we me to rent en kwase asem yes here the ntimo pa amfo am de nya museum and omo start say omo create ayi bi ti say gbagbo nya papa watara mo de ne buy what change the constitution wa bubu mra no so akọ for 3 term. But just because he's momo puppet amutimi use no e dey achieve dia mo hwehwe bia no so Kofi me dey ade na e koso no ade na unim say yetia kura re eni kwan say o make that point France for and ultimately really all our efforts in championing this
echo
any African Union what you say e omo na yes ade na unim dia ya wo mi say Niger Jeme omude bre kakra krene Burkina for no ma eji kakra de support ye hu say na France ka so wa show
omo hia jena everything
that is the omo agreement say I just France nim empe na betimi aba Africa aden
anyway atefo mamenka we say wa pom de hu hia me the south from 1st September ekosi 31st me ma free 1 month free health screening Pacho tieni ye mame baby a wutie me bia sesia tubrika Provident Healthcare I'll come to you a friend of panon son me pacho wo baby a ye bia no de okudu ho a Kofi Asante sa memra for free healthcare screening say your diabetes pressure komayade asthma say yade bia body no de okọ ho a wo se me ba for screening e free na Kumasi Aswase of St. Teresa's Catholic Church na wo ba enye se wo betra ma kwabrane abefifi wani ase I say no that then we no talk. Udu wa na edwa machine ultramodern machines are from cardiovascular monitor, microcirculation, breast cancer monitor. Machine na uroma a display all your internal organs. Na chiro say drawing mon fama no na ebi adwen no enyini ne dosun entisi so papa wanya yade or gain your strength from stroke intermal memory ne kra no uya lusu spinal cord asthma sexual weakness or prostate malaria sa yade bia honamani emaye ne beme also wonsansan bi uju ho wonte ase ko Providence Healthcare na oba aswase a Kumasi de ha ne wo ene St. Teresa's Catholic Church wa na fe ko agogo opposite Ghana Commercial Bank no Bogo so opposite Krobo fitting shop wa patro frɛ number is here 0248 422864 0248 422864 patro wa chena 1st September ekosi 31st ɛna ye start ɛde saa free screening ni ɛma wɔ number ni biem 0248 422864 na 0506 830210 0506 830210. I think you've had a bad news and today bedi hon komo but me pacho and mema metie fuska nti star 439 has exactly 950 na my draw star 439 has unyanto ya cash out star 439 hash no select option 6 met me amount not less than 200 Ghana cedis and more than 5,000 Ghana cedis and pay and 2 year ya star 439 hash select option 6 ya Akoma FM and one no for listening to Ghana Akoma Kofi Asante pay that is me packager jito data and make my many be team star 439 hash option 6 koswana to better 5 Ghana cedis that's all. As a police issue Akosiki court injunction on NDC one more demonstration Bank of Ghana Boacheja Konso or say party no flat or more regulations and tinyadi obekobium I would draw. Then you have electoral commission yes centralize the registration at Ghana for if I go so here and our kasapa say electoral commission ma many we no am fa ku amagana I mean too all that you can add it up.
I will touch on Boacheja Kondiano briefly.
Yeah.
Yes, we share NPP and Constitution now. Article 13, Section 9. A cassa say kwaku did you must say in a say nipa do na omdom obebano. So bro enumua. It was say the super delegates conference, you know, activity clause 9 no. Ne kokotro ne pruning down. Na memse lacuna abano so no say when there's a tie. How should the process be? Say in the wisdom of the constitutional framers, they amended in 2009. No, that mindset, no, so, and this is a great opportunity for the party to also look at it in a holistic way. Say, how do we also cause an amendment to the Article 13.9? No? Said there's a tire, how should it be? However, Article 18 it gives us a window of opportunity. When there's a situation, our constitution expressly in the constitution, the National Council also has the mandate to also bring in processes and procedures as to how to cure that lacuna. Until we share the National Council kokoyeno and rana based on Article 18 of the party's constitution. And omujina soa omode na me de imagine say ne kwan soa no.
Okay.
But no that is his own democratic freedom. But me baby hamene say he's a senior member of the party and omoye sa amendment I think he played integral part of it. Me yekoye sa amendment in 2009 or Trade Fair Center. I was part of the delegate. He also played a phenomenal role with regards to this amendment. And say, as a senior party member, I think that say Ojitumu and allow the National Council no ASRDN. I think National Council also consists of 135 or 36 people. It is not a small number. Such a small number at the headquarters. Na say Boacheja say to me.
National Council is just about 120 something.
Well, yeah, 135 because yes,
out of over 900.
900. So you see, at any decision making point, right? There's a responsibility for some people. Added to young say NES tena. I was say all the delegates, right? Delegates also mokotwaba. But omobro say the nipa kakra bi nsem over 210,000 no say omobro ten the nipa 961 answer. And when there's a tie, we say we are not going to pick the first or the second. The fifth person who will join the 4 qualifier. I think say escalating it to cover all the members of the super delegate conference. The issue of financing, we say I'm say we should be a concern.
Okay.
And as a leading person, a leading member of the party, I think that if you should have accepted it in good faith and go before the 135 members, because they are people that you've been dealing with, right? National chairman, national council, no, consisted with all the national executive members, the voting members, no, national executive members, then 20 members of parliament. Almost so then each and every region, I think we have 5 representatives. Then you have the president and the vice president. These are the people that constitute the National Council. So for me, if he had accepted this procedure, for me, and better. However, that is his constitutional right. And if he has decided to step down, looking forward is more important for the party than the decision that one person has taken. So I cannot begrudge him, neither will I also begrudge the party through National Council with the directive of Mode Abano. And going to Electoral Commission, and some NDC for a council mobile demonstration, it is their constitutional right, right? And the demonstration say, yeah, so be. You say you have photo ID card, and when it comes to an electoral roster review now, MPP for ya be pa
okay.
What you say about biometric verification, photo ID card, transparent ballot box. We can attribute all these things to NPP. Say we championed it. You do you get civil society organizations also coming on board. No, so if NDC, if you say there's going to be a limited registration for district level elections, now procedure Electoral Commission Ediaba based on its power that enshrined in the Constitution, doing a demonstration is their democratic right, and nobody can stop them if they think they can do. But we should do so. Say, deriving powers from the Constitution. Let us not also step on the authority that the Constitution has also granted to the institution of Electoral Commission. A balancing act. Once the Constitution gives you the opportunity to demonstrate, the Constitution also protect the institution of Electoral Commission with regards to when it comes to registration, how they do it. For me, we share the growth trajectory of our country, population of this country. Necessarily, there's an average of 2.5 growth rate per annum now. We extrapolate here based on 2020 electoral roster na I think we may have somewhere around 500,000 people joining the roster around this time. Until let us assume says 500,000 people.
Okay.
Right. That's all mobile joining. Now at least 261 or 263 district. 500,000 divided by 263. It tells you say fine, every district within the period now by say 10 days so say 2 weeks so you are supposed to register 1,900 on the average across the country. I think 1,900 no krano on say me the Kumasi Kumasi involve 5 constituencies. Oko Greater Accra, AMA, almost a considerable number of the whole Kumasi 5 constituencies in register nipa 1,900 within a period of 10 days. I don't think say a bruso. Me patos what you say. However, where I concede, like last time, places like Setre Afram Plains, South, North, baby to say Bunkrubu, Ibia, large land size. The Ibia population, they are so dispersed, spread across. Oko Bindurimu, Atiasio, Kasana Nankanamona. Won't to me for Kasana Nankana de Mame Toto. Kumasin so I wish, say, Electoral Commission should look at it from case by case basis.
Okay.
Now district be your at least year 3, year 4. What the civil society organization was saying is let us activate 1,500 polling stations across this exercise. We are 1,500 now. It means that they are saying every district went to me and set up 5 polling centers or registration centers, which is also not far from what I'm saying. Baby, I want to me and at least year 2, year 4. A bit to me abwa amede adeno aqua soso. I will go to the doorstep of the people that we are supposed to register.
Okay.
So for me, let us all continue to Jojo. Because a institutional I always say when Obama came here, say we should strive to build a strong institution. To build a strong institution, Kofi, you need strong personalities to build a strong institutions. And conformity institution, if they are not strong, they are not able to stand on their feet, irrespective of where the pushes are coming from. No, and I just say, we may relish the aspects about building stronger institution. Okay. But if the personalities involved in this institution are so weak and they fall for everything, at the end of the day, we will not get that strong institution. Again, Matisse Nana Goso, and I mean,
Goso.
Okay. And Wakasa, I listened to his tape, but my great term say as a track akra or who can be there. But I feel said the ACK, let us make the issue case by case situation, because we have a situation where Electoral Commission will have to roll out equipments or recruit to personnel. More and more, expanding. At the end of the we should also not forget. Say it goes with human resource, and we have to make finances available for all these things. So let us look at it from a holistic perspective as one people. For me, I don't think Electoral Commission, judging from what we've gone through, 2000 elections, 2008 elections, 2016 elections, I tell you, say. Sir, he tonight the Electoral Commission. So it is about time MPP ni NDC. Because we said baby na kwaje mono. Okoka from 2011 bano. Okoka so Electoral Commission independent. Yenya omno omajuma. Yura mama can be kwaku can be what can be. We drew baby said the politicians say na no. Say no ni abre opeso ba enya but institutional integrity no. Let us all come together to protect the institutional integrity.
Me, I still stand by the fact say, with the right person in the helm of affairs at some of these institutions, I was so jail independent.
Okay.
But so okonya nipa bonini no, but that's our institution you be anwa. Because Ujana amana independent or bebo mine. It's the fact say independent and say Udini Pabonini Kotuano Aquanu too. The Americans what yasi. Yet here say Kofi ye general manager na or to no my ya. I didn't know be for obi man pressure. Say Adiana or yenenge. But so general manager be now targets our set your man and the ultimate metia. Then you of course all be question a Jumana or yen. Obekaya enche bia o kasa fidi so kra I think say me no be 1-on-1 be on sa sia da na o person o mukuli no
yeah
anya no ye kan waso mom ko tena akire afa o mahu se de na ye kan nyansa wo mu a omo de ye adwuma ni enti ye ka so omo ye independent enti de omo pe no omo nya na de ntokwa e ba ya nanka ye koya na ye ba ye bible krasi de onim papa no wanye na ye bone ma no
yeah
enti nya se obi attack Electoral Commission MPP so madane kasamafo ama Electoral Commission but to the Kofi ho na me the best starting me pese ma me nka bo cheja akode enko ya asu e maten masa asem we kura ba me ntimi nyanka bi you see kwan o mo de bo cheja akonfa so no enye enye kwan papa na hu say delegation no a omo kwa kwato Saturday dey selection na ya no ya yen such a way say you be in a film. Unim say campaign we or mukoye, our mukotu super delegates. No more accuse Katrina Fekumu say almost a party. Aden. because Katrina Fekumu asɛm a ɔmo kɔ ɔmo ka nyinaa no sɛ yɛba yɛ free SHS aba yɛayɛ agenda 111 yɛayɛ one village one dam yɛayɛ we nanso so no ɛnɔma no bi so wɔ hɔ a as a party yɛgye tum sɛ yɛnya ne yie ebi te sɛ foreign exchange obiara nim sɛ mobɛtoo ne 4 ɛnɛ wɔ 12 ɛnɛ no wokɔ ka daadaa ɔmo so ɔmo kasa na yɛ sɛ ɔmo sabotage Bawumia so ɔmo ka no kora kyerɛ Ghanafoɔ sɛ ɛnɔma mu ayɛ de ama petro bu ɔkɔ soro ɛne adeɛ no na yɛ sɛ ɔmo mpɛ party ne yie enti ɛnɛ me no kasa yɛ atagate saa nkrɔfoɔ no nyina ɔmo ka no korɛ no adentia Boacheja Akon ba ya oka say when the dust settles obeba be tirekyire ni nsemu anansen oma ye hu say a marry deal gabi asare o kyere da Akon e koye won office against cabinet decision o minister no wo ho no na gabi momu draft agreement on behalf of Ghana oso okobusa nanado say ade agabi aye ni a o say nanado ka kyere say na gabi de na oye ye no when we say fault be woman na fault be anima ye nyu so e no and who is you are proud of this I don't want to Boacheja. Yes, I know kind. Son of kind, Mr. Oh, these are the words of Boacheja. What is wrong with agreement in I
know.
NTO, please. Oh,
by government,
I don't know. You deny him. What's the
allegation?
He was a cabinet minister. Or say a cabinet that take a decision. Say a marry innovation deal. No, no, renegotiation. Almost started say oh yeah one day no now Kofi bi mpene the oti ya say Gabi sending email and Kofi ayo man bi aso a asem we serious issue so mampani ya to aba ma Gabi owo for ase no keke oni position bi awa aban mu na agreement a o man Ghana koye any o man foforo koye no owo for ase aye to aba ma na oni official capacity biano onu na tin fie no draft agreement on behalf of the people of Ghana. This is anyam one say Akufo-Addo nananom kra church letters me releasing the name of government.
Gweji.
Na me can say Mr. Kofi letters ni bu ayen reading here.
We the
Adabraka saying
I said letter bi abeg.
Na wo for sit me koye letter ma tie ne wo for sit me draft agreement e me the parliament say yen kwadi ntum a na ne na ntimi issue statement say Ghana for na holiday. Aya possible say abusuafo de yirenum na ebu amamuo no ba yanim. Kofi, this is something serious. I was here so now I'm targeted Boacheja Akon because of size position. Into one more I select one more about what direct influence and I say
ya say wa of adenimo we any free man point obi any influence on so
was the bunti dem make can say adenimo no beto kro beto bi ama no
yeah
menim so what ya say but we selection na enra so we selection na ye group na eko take decision na omu nyina ye Bawumia nkrofo enti enam say Boacheja Akon expose aban no mu fi so ogu na Akufo-Addo animu ase no ye be ka trom say akwanma mu mani nya one kra enti wo so watwe asan onim say mu be gu na animu ase enti watwe asan waje mu di ama ade nmo na Kofi na no meme dade esi na nya fe kra
na wo kwase bi
na me hwe wo TV so Kofi Madawroma e hwe bi wo TV so what you say now hwe ese koto na bakama na Ralph koto ya no apeja so me ba
for regional minister poye regional minister we regional security head odu anoman so mon search me
yes
no mo search no okoto na ba wi na nwa
akọ wa ba bi muso anya ade o hwe obi ti say
na wa uni
ai shali ayoko botwe na wakoto wa ba uwie ya in the face of camera me dem to ma Bawumia you say a secret ballot enti amani papi buafu ogwa kama mo ntiase omom koto aba MPs omu nyina ya hwepe omu ministers omu nyina ya hwepe omu regional executives omu nyina contract school feeding omu yerenum na eye ti ya hwepe omu
this allegation
Kofi Nancy school feeding hu nsem bae oma meka se omu ye MPP fo
ye party for but they are not the white
si Kofi
omu ye party for they no doubt
wo de nya abotre na
98%
Kofi nya abotre na tie me MPP NDC ye nyina ye guilty of it. Contract be ba na say ye de bebo party for ye de be regional executives. Ye de be so they will be the first people to su bi na omo de bia brace omo. Okay. So ubeka kire me say abani ni control omo so on na onko di ala na ti ni emeje ni contract. Kofi wono wuntumi contract bebreba wo ya man so kwan kurada bia omo ka se onye no omeye no. Enya by virtue of say oye regional chairman ko benya na ono no o ada masa enka hwe ye ntira Kofi enka hwe masa etisa okodi ala chia ni enye contract ni mfiri ni nsem enti nkrofo amoye selection nyina no obi anim say Kofi no obi anim say aba no ba omi abewe ne me Friday na de be chin Saturday mi ko kasafide bi so akotofo atopafo ne ba ho alamfo ba ho akotom tops or say in short here atopa ena omo ba ho alam ba ho ba omi ba ho ena almost all the ifo no Kofi unim so mbaye no with the exception of Adoma Kuba afimu an o fa campaign serious omo maka nyina say omo ha omo ko chase kan je hwe na omo nim za de ndie omo hyehye de ama Dr. Baumia yo mo kan so mbeba first 5 no munya bam de no an na fe na mbema show down so what you say na mo masters ne ye enti ya bibi na nya mo be ye bi enti no tie enti no asem no a ekom no oh mami kasa na time no ya so enti sese meba wakasa more than 50 mami kamedi enti no ampa me kura Kofi wutu na onim se ba omi abewe ni oh yeah no be ba omi ankrofo no mom na sese o only looking at the man yes ba omi ankrofo no na sese o my disappointed o mo yam sisi o mo because ba omi team na kasa ba bonten a no mo target 80% Kofi alai yeah ya koto ya 70 po mo anya enti de etre no say upon machinations ni nyina no executive influence na ewom ni nyina no sila na ankrofo afo mo adwen secret because wo eseme na otie ye nimu DCs ye nimu MPs omo wala eso mbetena radio so omo se ba mi because omo suro se wa ya target minim to what asia my point is that we know a lot of appointees any idea so omo suro se e bedu omo post afri omo nsam ti
aje mama announce me draw because me ba be ye draw no you continue talk ye nyanko point abtafo star 439 hash kwaje go so kasa but me ba ye draw no star 439 hash ente wo a unya ento ye no start na to sisia star 439 hash no a select option 6 na wetimi so a part of the draw just 1 minute see ana me ye draw
na hotel pao woni maniji samu a ekoso okumase ahojo run about gwel filling station akawoni kura gas ne me sa wo be cha dropperfo commercial ne private fuel free obi 2 gallons debio mantini ye ahojo run about gwel filling station fefefe bi a wo bi Akoma becha free fuel daben a free Friday 1st September ya anopa bia 6 am 30 cars free and anwumre bia 4 pm 30 cars free etidakro 60 cars for 10 days. Just a free fuel for 600 cars. Sabe pepe nanso wow. Was such a dropper for and tomakoma moirenum. Asache wamu t-shirts, key holders, and the books akoma mama. A dropper for ye. Where do you do heavy? Or shall see a ton fuel from Friday 25th August. Not Friday 1st September no. Grand opening. 1st September no a free fuel and ya chedi na a trousers. A hodo roundabout. Gwaya filling station. A dropper for ye. Goil, good energy. Goil,
right, Koya ya samba. Therefore, my draw na winners. Me were 3 winners. The first, third winner is 0241 3206. The last, 2 digits. Yeah, announce it, but. Ma as of the submissions aje mamintio
enti Kofi o hwe results e buy as say Dr. Baumia team no omuyam hyehye wo say ye hwehwe 80%
Akoma
scan say Kofi scan bi wa kasa fidi zo metete scan bi modu e bi di modu regional time is what me 100,000 200,000 ni ade na modu
100,000 dey man ba me 50 ni 20
me say me 100,000
oh okay
me 100,000 enti mama nkama sem enti unim ala ne Canada Japan mu nyina fa ne say ade no Dr. Baumia betime atua kyen ye nyina enti me yenkotua yentua na ye bokoboko ne ba first 5 no ma kakra ye wono ne de akọ November 4th eti results na e ba ye no enye nwanwa minim say what ma say wo mu
Akoma FM
say utua ni nyina na wantimi anya 70%. You must be worried.
I see.
Minim say what na say omo eye Alan ne other candidates no omo believe in those people based on their conscience. Kofi what you say? I can imagine November 4th that Kennedy are winning at the end. Can show down. So what you say? But I can tell you say based on the fact say Alan entua but we wurem Kennedy entua but we wurem Atopa entua but onu so wurem aden Monica pre also wurem and no kire say November now over 200,000 delegates koto aba anything can happen.
Okay.
And now san share the fact say Alan current me any second now share audio tapes Kofi eliki mean so what it be as a tribalism abam no tribalism abam no Kofi etra wunim say November no the besi say North East buy na Dr. Baumia 100%. Ama say ese amo party grassroots for edi o matem say omo de o mantini am protect omo so de ewa onim
Abasa party ni say they are looking at competence but not you are right but party ni say they are looking at competence but not tribal.
Challenge Mr. Amwa. I challenge him on this. Let me tell you. 1998.
No, history no.
1998. Didn't the Northern region vote for?
Into we are now the.
Yeah, can you say the party for no neck and for college ni bi kura de na ni nyina ne say empanifo bi wo kuro mu a agreed and adi o manim enye san ko mu nyina yenim so o support wala say no ma hu ni say Dr. Baumia be president a opportunity ma o mo Asante fo na o mo ambition so mbenya vice and self interest enye competence no o mo hwe that is the secret o we say to o nim hu say na pomo ne panifo ne honorable chairman obu nyina to di Baumia chi a it is an opportunity o mo betimi dia nature o mo presidential ambition. That is all. Now panifo ni bi o ma ten nyonwa no mo nyala what I saying
na say Alan dey nipa bebre o party ni mo etu afri na chi o so we should also question Alan
meba why the doubt the competence of Alan do that from Kofi days on na say trade ministry o mo amebo na ba so say Alan na ya aduma so the issue of Alan's competence is not in doubt. The ama who raise this question legitimate mame and say adan na nipa bebre free
nachi
omo free nachi because omo nyina wo presidential ambition.
Okay.
And omo ni say Dr. Baumia is relatively younger. It is Dr. Baumia ba na omo ti yeye na omo lobby ye omo betima be di vice president so they automatically ubetima be di president.
Asa kwaje nipa ba ko pe ne betima di vice.
Abasa Dr. Baumia no strategy na wo bo no. Na ponim so obetima anya. Chairman so obetima anya. Obo obi a wo asem a woka. Enti omo fo atima ni nyina na do obi atim say na pop Dr. Baumia we ni a on say me Dr. Baumia we ni a obe you am as VIP minim say Kofi what ma say asem dey ya asem dey dis kroma hwe Kofi e unim say aten unim say Kofi e sik we dey me modin ba me oh that dey wuye better ma wie enti no Kofi unim say me kan secret a kire ba me kan we me modi unim say Dr. Baumia kuma mu ankasa no na kuma mu ankasa na wa target of pani bi free ha
okay
anko di be you amusulia
okay
wow just to oppress of pani a ye Christiani a or influence within the Christianity
and political animals
yes what hu ba bi ekọ no what hu ba bi ekọ
that say obetimi
ya so for no why o madam eji no so what yes o madam ko be you amusulia what hu secret no it is all hu contrast ni ade sika ni epia fa wona ebi so ne ba ne ade a ehọ na asem ne wo ehọ na Kofi asem ne wo na woni me last point ma wie MPP fo we ma di omo ho ya papa say wonya opportunity ene Kofi kura to we kan kre the wa petrol ne no ma boa ya yi no wada obi adwa MPP aban sentwerofo asofo obi adwa
Akoma FM
minim se ese kura nya ofese petrol bu ayedin enya ofese inflation wosoro enya ofese exchange rate yase enya ofese import duties bu ayedin na wanya opportunity ese mu be make a huge statement to Ghanaians say the ekoso no na nado ayede ne ba ya ode ewura situation we ne mra so nti yempe sa situation yi etinka koyi obi a sese na nado aban onka ho ne ehu se mu MPP for nkura de ekoso o Ghana no mo mpe sisili adapa da mu sika ni nyina eyemo tan kata se ne pro ne mo so so no mo sa akwato aba ma Dr. Bawumia na wono ne ka ho a petrol bu ayedin na yese bo petrol bu na ayedin ho nti na motuma Bawumia exchange rate ya akwakoduru 12 cedis no na yese mu MPP for se eyemo de enti mo sa ato ama Bawumia na akoduru 20 Ghana ene Camry ukoyi 72,000 Ghana cedis Honda CR-V over 120,000 duty na waton ne sen Kofi se eye esede se galamse cost to the extent yakoye bi wo mampani garden mu o mampani efie wo chebi ne garden mu yakotu galamse Mr. Ama interministerial committee Professor Frimpong Boati
wrap up mamenko
ena di asem na da yesi chebi youth organizer na edi galamse wo mampani chebi MPP youth organizer constituency youth organizer ena na edi galamse wo mampani garden mu ena aduane boaye din yentimi hwe Ghana eka amene yen kwoto ba wo de nka motuma da ni momponi ehu se situation na ye wo mu ma communication bi se mo support Kofi de meka wate ase Musa akoya mo kwoto ama Bawumia na ode ewura no ma we nyina mu chese ehu yen no
thank you esa ya sorry ya wie Jebi maminya maboafo a ewi ne ye ena no pe me che wo muska na yen sorry nko wo just 30 seconds final comment
kwasa for Jenny NDC omayem hihia ewo Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ho ene na me ka se ene de nka omayem hihia na emma enso bewie aba Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia NPP for elect na se ebia wo free bunkum na wo free nifa na emum papa no nte ase ne nhunu mu ene ba bia yedure ogitum ene no ma wode agu akwama opese ono ba na obeboaye no omampani dada mama kra wo your opposition mfie be nsoni wo de auto opposition obi ana obi anya we sese Ghana mrante ne mabawa omomu di dwuma mu kop makwan so no
Akoma FM
bra se me ba se na meye
okokan
o
se onko kenkan de mama de no ma be
ho na asem no no okokan Kofi
oba wo de privacy ni
Kofi tie
kan free SHS no
Kofi oh me asem no
wa create
thank you mama me 2020
mama me 2020 me chase
okokan
good morning me bacho me draw tresa we are lucky winner for ene cash out Akoma machede right unya say bacho wala no from unya say
Akoma FM
200 okasa free hin wala no from papa Adiebeba oh okay I see. And I know first time out to Yana. Okay, Kosuana Tona, where we need. Good morning. Bama, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me bacho me draw each say what number pop up say you are one of the lucky winners. Unya say.
Me check it me.
Okay, confirm and I get back to
Akoma FM.
Good. Right. These are lucky winners. Pacho 20 best bar on so beba be draw ni bi na wato no winning no disca. Star 439 hash. I select your option 6 and you're good to go. You better tell for you say on behalf of the team a very wonderful and a special good morning once again. And I don't pay me sorry am a 20 best e de akomamre e de abremo. Enyi wa fide no emfiri ha na me ya domo a ochina e ye